Hello, hello, girls and boys. How's it going? All right, let's see who's here. Hello, unknown traveler. How are you doing? Good to see you. Where are you logging in from here? Which city? बताओ जरा. Which city are you guys? Are you folks logging in from? Hello, Dark Horse. How are you doing? Good to see you again. Hi, Manjeet. Good to see you. Where are you logging in from? बताओ जरा. Oh, Manjeet is from Calgary. Good to see you, Manjeet. Hi, Dark Horse. How's it going? Long time no see. Navdeep Singh from Ludhiana, Punjab. Hi, Navdeep. How are you? Avinash from Lucknow. Hello. Hey, Avinash. Yeah, I know, Nanki. I know it is you. Mayank, how are you logged in from Ghaziabad? Good, Mayank. Very good. Thank you. Tushar Handa. Hi, Tushar. Jalandhar. Good to see you. Pratiksha from Pune. Hi, Pratiksha. How are you? Very good to see you from Pune. Upendra from Delhi. Hello, Upendra. Okay. Azam from Dubai. Indian Tiger. Oh, you know what? Hello, sir. I'm good. How about you? I'm doing very good. Thank you. Okay, I have a question for you guys. Whoever is joined in, about 50 people are joining in now. So, what is special about this life? If anybody knows, let me know in the chat. What are we doing different in this life? Do you guys know? What are we trying to do different in this life? Any ideas? What are we doing? Something different in this live today? Has anybody, do you guys remember what I posted? Anyone? Hi, sir. Love from West Bengal. Hello, unknown blogs. Hi, sir. I'm from Hyderabad. Hi, DJ. Okay. Sharing our story. Absolutely. Shadow. Yes, absolutely. Neha. Love from Bihar. Thank you. Love from Hyderabad. Are sahi. Fresher special. Fresher ho, purana ho, chalega. Hi, Mota bhai. Hi to you also. Okay. Taufeeq says, start learning public, getting a great response from the recruiter. Okay. So, Taufeeq, good. This is exactly what I want to talk about today. I will put the link here. And whoever is either changed a job in the last 2-3 months, changed a job, got a placement, anything of that sort, or if you've been learning in public for the last 2-3 months, come join the live and let's talk. Those are the kind of people that I want to talk to today. Okay, so I'll paste it here also. If you've recently cracked a job, internship, or learn in public for the last 3+ months, share your story and join this. Okay, questions बाद में लेंगे. Okay, I'm not taking any questions right now. So if you've either cracked a job, internship, or you have been doing learn in public for the past 2 3 months. Come on, let's talk. Okay. uh Aviral, Aviral, join the chat. I'll invite you. और किसने बोला था अभी? Yes, Taufeeq. Taufeeq, join the chat, please. I want to talk to you. Okay, no questions right now. Let's first talk to people who are actually doing the work. Then question answers तो बाद में करेंगे ही. Right? We do that every time. Just got DevOps internship joining next week. Perfect. Viraj, join the chat, please. Viraj, if you're hearing me, please join the chat. I want to talk to you. Okay? All right. Sir, give me advice. Advice सब बाद में. ज्ञान बाद में. पहले I want to talk to people who are actually doing the work. Learning in public for almost 2 months and knowing doing an internship. मतलब you're doing an internship right now. राव, नाम क्या यार? राव है क्या? जो भी आपका नाम, ज्वाइन करो चैट. लेट्स टॉक. सर, नॉट विजिबल. व्हाट इज नॉट विजिबल यार? आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, so those folks that I called out, किस किस का नाम लिया मैंने अभी? तौफीक, then अविरल, और कौन था? Rao, learning in public for almost 2 months. Okay, join the chat, all of you guys. वर्धन क्या बोल रहा है यार? सर नॉट विजिबल समझ नहीं आई. दोबारा बताओ विरल, नहीं समझ में आई. We'll come to the questions later on. Okay, let's do this first. Okay, if you recently cracked a job, internship, learn in public for the last 3 months, share your story. Come on, guys, join in and then let's talk. Okay. I'm going to add the folks. I don't know. I hope जिसने भी stream join की है. I Taufeeq? Yes. हाँ जी Taufeeq, बताइए. Are you working? Did you crack an internship, Taufeeq? What was that?
No, I got an open source project from a company called Luminance.
Don't tell the company names.
Okay.
That's fine. So you got an open source project. Is it a paid internship?
No, not a paid internship. They are planning if it goes live, then they'll pay.
So they've given you work,
Yes.
and if it goes live, then you get a paid job or internship. What?
Yes, it's a RAG project.
No, that is fine. But if you do well in that, then what happens?
Like if I do well in that, they'll first of all they'll hire me, and if before hiring me they'll pay a certain amount that was not discussed.
Okay, all right. Tell us, how did you crack this? How did you get this opportunity?
Actually, I was posting whatever work I was doing, like even the small errors which I was getting with the screenshots on the LinkedIn, only on the LinkedIn, because I'm actively working on that with the detail that I got this error and this was the solution. And I was writing all that in my own words, not using Chat GPT, because so that I should know how to explain the solution. So I was doing that, and I was from day 1 to day 2, day 3, every day I was posting. So there, the recruiters also approached me. Even a company from USA approached me, but anyhow, I didn't pass the interview. because I was
Okay.
searching for DevOps role, but I got MLOps opportunity because I was not ready
Okay.
for the MLOps role. That's the reason I got failed in the interview. But they approached me. I didn't apply for the job.
Okay.
Yes,
And how long
the
were you
director
doing
of
this?
the company, the person who approached me was the director of the company.
Okay. Awesome. And how long were you posting on LinkedIn?
Uh, 2 months, two
2 months. Okay.
yes, 2 months.
Okay. Cool. So 2 months. And how many times a week did you post?
Uh, Almost four times, sir.
4 times a week. Almost every day.
Almost every day.
Almost every day for 2 months
Yes.
you posted.
Yes, yes.
And then the
Sometimes I had,
director.
for example, if I'm working on a project, I got a lot of errors.
Hmm.
What I used to do is I like, if, for example, if I got 10 errors, I used to post 3 errors in a day,
Hmm.
and I'll
Okay.
keep that seven for the next days. So
Sure.
I used
Yeah,
to
that's
do
smart
that
work. Sure. Okay.
so
Good,
that
good, good. And
it don't get like yeah. I thought that putting everything on a day that it will make a lengthy post.
yeah, yeah, that makes sense. That's good. Okay, if you don't mind me, Tawfiq, can you
Yes,
share your LinkedIn profile also here
yes,
so
yes,
that
yes.
people can see what kind of stuff you're posting?
Exactly. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. And are
In the
you
chat.
okay if I make a post about this on LinkedIn in the
Yes,
next
yes,
week? Are you okay with that?
yes, yes, yes. No problem. No problem.
I will not give company names or anything. I will just say that this is examples of people who have either cracked a job, cracked an
And even I got
internship,
a
got.
freelance, and I even got a freelance job also.
Okay.
Yes.
Where did that happen? Which platform? Or just from a
Uh,
reference?
no, no. That too was also from LinkedIn.
Oh, LinkedIn. Okay,
Yes,
nice.
I searched on the search bar. I wrote that for DevOps, MLOps freelance jobs.
Uh-huh.
So there they were, like they were also open for that. So I got that.
Okay,
It was only a 2 to 3 days of the Terraform.
perfect. Awesome. So, Tawfiq, if there is one message that there are a lot of people here who
Yes,
are trying to get a job, trying to crack an internship, those kind of things, right? What is your one message for them?
I think in today's world, learning public is one of the greatest thing which we can show our skills to the recruiters. And I think
Hmm.
you don't even need to apply for the job if you are posting regularly on the LinkedIn. The recruiters will come to you, and this is what I have done. That I was getting because I was posting every day, and I am the project which I am doing is like a
Hmm.
lengthy one. In the between
Hmm.
only they are approaching me, and they are scheduling the interview even on the next day or on the day after tomorrow. So
Okay.
because of that, I am and they're asking me the full, like, explain your project, and it is in the
Hmm.
middle, so I couldn't explain. So I got failed
Hmm.
in 2 to 3 interviews.
Okay.
So I think the learning public is one of the greatest thing I can
Awesome.
say.
Perfect. Tawfiq, if you can, after this, if you can post your LinkedIn profile here,
Yes, yes.
people can go have a look. Okay. Thank you so much, Tawfiq. Thank you for
Thank you, thank
sharing
you,
this.
thank you, sir.
Appreciate it. All right, guys. Now I have a couple of people who have joined in here. Uh, Only if you have done something like this, got an opportunity, cracked something, share your story. बाकी question answer थोड़ी देर बाद करेंगे. I just want to talk to people first who are doing the work, who are getting the results, so that we can show proof. Okay. All right. Let's go. Hi, Arjun. Arjun, are you there? Okay. Hi, Naga.
Hey, hi.
Hi. So, what have you done, Naga? Cracked something? How's it? What's your
Um,
story? Give us.
no, I didn't crack anything yet. So currently, I'm working as a backend developer, and I
Do you
have
have a
been.
question? Wait, wait. Do you have a question or do you have a story to share?
It's like question basically, like it's not a story to
Question
share.
for wait for some time. I'll add you back in.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Questions later. Okay. Okay, guys, only if you have a story to share, tell me. Gaurav, you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have a story to share
No, no, no,
or a
sir. I
question?
don't. Question, sir.
फिर बाद में.
Okay,
I'm going to
okay.
pull you out then. Okay. All right. Mokit, do you have a question or a story?
I have small stories. I got an opportunity through LinkedIn, but due to my
Okay.
exams, I can't. Yeah.
Hmm.
So I'm a second year computer science engineering student in Bangalore.
Okay.
So we have started coding from since 6 months. Uh,
Hmm.
so what I did, I have seen your video about that how public about LinkedIn and all. So I just started posting every day what I do. From around
Okay.
100 days, I have did the same thing. So
Okay.
I was getting very good reach around. I used to get around 100 plus likes.
Okay.
So some many people just approach me. Somewhere, some of them were to just to make team or some go to some hackathons. Uh,
Hmm.
I just when I just connected many of them. After that, I just got some opportunity for an internship for 3 months.
Okay.
But due to my colleges and my actually I'm from VTU where 85% attendance is mandatory, so I can't able to get that. But yeah, I got an opportunity. Every day I
Perfect.
used to post. The main thing is
Hmm. And you post
that's also.
what did you used to post?
So I what I do means what I studied.
Hmm.
That then I used to add some memes or something according to that topic.
Some memes.
Yeah, ChatGPT does
Okay.
it very good. So what I do, what I studied, just I make some. I got some create memes. Then just I
Uh,
got like very good reach. That
So, yeah, memes are the video or just a
no
static
no just normal
pictures,
images.
images?
Yeah
What plugin do you use in the chat GPT for creating memes? ये मैंने नहीं किया यार कभी.
yeah normal. So just prompt लिखिए जो topic है.
Hmm.
At the end तो ChatGPT से ही सब पढ़ते हैं. So he already knows what I'm studying.
हाँ हाँ.
Then just
Okay.
then I create meme. Then I got like around yeah.
So you just say that on this,
Uh,
article or whatever, create a meme on
uh,
this.
on meme this maybe many of them I know no one will study that, no one will read that article, but
Huh,
by
that's okay.
meme.
Hmm.
So that's the way I got like nice reach I got. So
Nice. I will also try this. Meme thing मैंने कभी try
yeah,
नहीं किया LinkedIn पे. I'll try
it
this.
works.
It's a good idea. Hmm. Perfect. So you used to post what you've studied, what errors you got, all of that for
Everything so
three
you
months.
told.
Hmm.
Yeah.
You did that for around 90 days and then somebody approached
uh,
you for work.
yeah, many
Yeah.
of them my college students, my college friends, but they didn't know that I know these things or not. By LinkedIn, they
Hmm.
get to know. Okay, there is a person in our college who know this thing. Then they approach
Hmm.
me. Okay, can you join in our hackathon? We are going to here. So actually, I'm now participating in Google AI agent. One small hackathon is going on. So
Okay.
we
Okay.
have
Perfect. Very
shortlisted for that. We are creating an
good.
AI agent also.
Awesome.
Yes,
Perfect. If you don't mind, can you share your LinkedIn ID
yes,
so
sir.
people can have a
Just a
look?
second.
Yeah. And are you
Just
okay
a
if I
second.
post about this and tag you?
Yeah, so it will be great for me.
Perfect. ठीक है. Thank you so much, yaar. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
All
Great.
right. Okay. Anybody else who wants to share their story? We got two stories so far. Anybody else who wants to join in? कि सबको सवाल ही पूछने हैं. वही है क्या सब? ओके ठीक है. चलो. If somebody comes up while we are doing this and they have a story to share, let me know. Put it in the chat. I'll keep an eye and then we can talk. Okay. चलो ठीक है. आ जाओ फिर सवालों पे. हाँ जी नागा बोलिए.
Hey, hi. Good evening again.
Good evening.
So one of my teammates suggested your YouTube live and all. So he said like
Okay.
you can ask some queries and doubts regarding any job
Hmm.
change or mind change. So I just want to experience that one. So that's why today I joined this.
Okay. What's your
So
question?
basically, currently I'm working as backend developer, but all
Hmm.
my interest is in data analyst roles. So it's been few
Okay.
months, like nearly 5 to 6 months, have been preparing and appearing for the interviews. So
Hmm.
initially, I started with my started applying for the jobs with I mean, though I'm not having relevant experience in the data domain, I started applying, but I did not receive any interview calls. So I
Hmm.
changed my resume and added some portfolio and external projects which will be related to data analyst and all. See,
Hmm.
even then, like I'm not getting any calls for the interview or any like even all the applicants are getting rejected. So like I'm just thinking like where am I lagging or is there any issue with the domain which I selected? That's not. I mean
Hmm.
that's where I'm just still confused.
And for how long have you been studying this?
It's more than 6 to 7 months since January.
Okay. And what's your background?
So my
Have
background
you,
is engineering.
and when did you pass out?
So I passed out in 2021 July, and I joined the job in September 2021. Like, there is no much gap for the pass out
Okay.
and joining.
Yeah. Yeah. And what's your current job? What field is it?
So it's a Java domain, and I'm working as a backend developer.
Ah, you said backend developer. Okay. And from there, you want to switch into the data engineering field,
Yeah, data analyst roles or business
data
analyst.
analyst role. Okay. And have you created any projects in that area, data analyst?
Yes, actually, I took mentorship from the senior, like which I know through LinkedIn
Hmm.
and all. So I
Hmm.
did some e-commerce project and healthcare projects. And
But is it data related?
yes, it is.
Okay. See, there could be a couple of things. It could be the quality of the projects. It is how you describe the projects in your profile. Are you getting interview calls, or even that is not happening?
No, that is not even happening. Like the applications are getting rejected. Like there is not even one interview call yet.
No interview call. Okay. Which means it is an issue with the profile,
Okay,
right? That's what it means. Because at least if the profile is good, you should get interview calls. And if then rejection is happening, that's a separate thing. Yeah.
okay.
So I have videos on my channel on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to create your resume. Have a look at those. You will get an idea.
So here my question is: initially, I started applying with my Java experience in the resume. So I
Mhm.
realized that very lately. Okay, this is not the correct thing. Then I changed my resume, like which looks like a complete data analyst profile and
Hmm.
all. Even then, that's not a considerable approach. That's what I think. So
So it depends here what you have put in your resume. We'll have to do a resume review. Without that,
okay,
it is hard to say. So instead of doing that, have a look at the videos that I have. That will give you a good idea of what to do.
okay,
And if you don't get it, then you can join the next live and we can then discuss.
sure.
Okay. All right. Thanks, man. Okay. Hi, Gaurav. You there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, sir. I'm not from CS field and I've recently started to learn how to code in the web and join an internship. Can I join? Yes, Arjun. Of course, you can join in. Join the live. Huh, Gaurav? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. My question is that I am in first year BTech student, and I am
Mhm.
currently learning about data science. So, is this skill or relevant in after 4 years?
So, is your computer science specialization in data science?
No, no, sir. I take a course from uh, I take a YouTuber course. Okay,
Okay. So, you've
so
taken a
is
data science course
yes, sir.
and you're asking if it will be relevant in the next couple of years or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the duration of that course?
6 to 7 months.
6 to 7 months. तो
Yes,
फिर
sir.
irrelevant है ना क्वेश्चन, इज इट रेलेवेंट आफ्टर 2 years or not? What matters is after 6 months, do you get a job or not? है ना, that's the important
Yes,
question,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना, focus on that. 3 साल बाद
Okay,
नहीं भी
sir.
रेलेवेंट होगा तो how does it matter now?
Yes,
Change
sir.
ना,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right?
Okay.
Right now your focus should be that immediately as soon as you complete this course, somebody should hire you,
Okay, sir.
right? That should be your goal. Anything else doesn't matter यार. क्या है, 3 साल बाद नहीं रेलेवेंट होगा, you will know that slowly it is dying down, you can change, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I would say focus on getting a job
Okay, okay, sir.
immediately
Okay.
after. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
thanks Gaurav. All right, Vardhan, go ahead please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have started discovering this open source and contribution about data science and web development since year ago. Sir, learning मैंने मतलब कि can I speak in Hindi for later?
Yeah. हाँ.
सर मतलब मैंने पहले in 2024 मतलब LinkedIn पर लर्निंग पब्लिक करा था one year before the today's date. तो सर उसमें मैंने काफ़ी मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है, जैसे मर्ज सॉर्टिंग्स मतलब लिस्ट मर्जिंग्स जो सर उसमें गिटहब में होती हैं सर, उससे काफ़ी मतलब थोड़ा कि कैसे मतलब उसका एल्गोरिदम समझना था। तो सर 1 साल से मैंने किया था, तो उसपे मतलब कि मैं ज़्यादा एक्टिव नहीं था, लेकिन सर उसमें पहले 50 तक हो गए थे फॉलोअर्स। देन उसके बाद मैंने इंटीग्रली मतलब कि डे बाय डे प्रोग्रेस करा, मैंने डीएसए मतलब फॉलो किया, उसके साथ थोड़ा डेवऑप्स भी करा था। देन ऑल्सो जैसे ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन फॉर जीसॉ, लेकिन सर मेरे मतलब उस समय मैं कॉलेज में था, 12th में था,
12th में थे?
तो उसमें मैंने किया। जी सर। सर आई माय एज इज 19 नाउ, और सर मैंने प्रोजेक्ट्स भी कर दिए, जैसे कि हाँ मतलब एक प्रोजेक्ट मैंने मतलब आइडिएट किया था, लेकिन वो पूरा कंप्लीट मतलब नहीं हो पाया था, लेकिन आई हैव मेड दैट कि सर आई हैव मेड अ चैटबॉट व्हिच कमांड व्हिच गिव कमांड्स एंड कैन इनपुट आइडियाज थ्रू यूजर इंटरफेस, मतलब यूजर के कमांड्स के बेसिस पे वो आइडियाज देता था कि इस आइडिया पर प्रोजेक्ट्स बन सकते हैं।
क्वेश्चन क्या है आपका?
एंड देन सर उसको मैं सर क्वेश्चन सर स्टोरी बताएंगे मुझे।
अच्छा, ओके, बट अचीव तो कुछ नहीं हुआ ना? एंड रिजल्ट क्या है?
हेलो
हाँ, एंड रिजल्ट क्या
सर,
है?
मीन्स टू से कि मतलब कि सर एंड रिजल्ट ये कि सर मैंने अभी मतलब मैंने कंप्लीट किया था अभी 300 आवर्स का सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम फ्री कोड कैंप।
भैया उसके पैसे नहीं मिलते ना, इंटर्नशिप लगी।
नो सर, सर अभी फर्स्ट ईयर। नो
हाँ,
सर, अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में, कॉलेज स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ मेरा।
फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, दैट्स फाइन। सी, मेहनत के रिजल्ट नहीं है भाई, एंड रिजल्ट मैटर्स, राइट? आपने
ओके
किया, बहुत
सर,
अच्छा
यस सर।
किया, वेरी गुड। हमें रिजल्ट चाहिए, है ना? अभी आपकी एज भी
जी
कम है, विच इज फाइन, आई अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दैट, राइट? बट ये फोरम क्या है, जैसे अभी दो बंदों ने बात की, तौफीक ने और गौरव ने, मैंने ये किया, मुझे ये रिजल्ट मिला, राइट?
यस सर।
तो लोग उसको देख सकते हैं, उससे इंस्पायर हो सकते हैं, वो गोल है
जी
है ना?
ओके सर।
तो आई
यस सर।
अंडरस्टैंड, आपके लिए इतना भी बहुत है क्योंकि आप 12th में थे, अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, तो इट्स वेरी गुड जॉब।
जी सर।
बट ट्राई एंड कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू समथिंग, भले पेड ना हो अभी,
ओके
दैट्स ओके यार, फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, ठीक है, बट अल्टीमेटली एंड रिजल्ट मैटर करता है ना। आप रेस
यस
में
सर।
भागे, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आई तो ही मेडल मिलता है ना,
यस
बाकियों
सर।
को मेडल नहीं है ना,
यस
है
यस
ना?
सर।
बाकी को शाबाशी है सिर्फ, और कुछ नहीं है ना?
यस सर।
ठीक है,
जी
ऑलराइट, थैंक्स यार। Okay. Who wants to go next? Rishi, you're next on my screen.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Switch
Good
on the
evening.
camera, please, Rishi.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
हाँ
Good
जी.
evening.
Good evening.
Sir, recently I got placed in tier 3 company actually, and अभी मैंने
टीयर
BCA
3
complete
कंपनी
किया
के होते हैं यार, ऐसा मत कर। अपनी
है।
कंपनी को तो टीयर 3 मत बोल।
Sorry,
नौकरी दिया यार
sorry,
उन्होंने, ऐसा मत कर।
sorry. Actually मेरा कॉलेज tier 3 में है और सेम सिटी में जॉब अभी लगी है।
अरे कंपनी को मत बोल यार, ऐसा सुन लेंगे वो।
हाँ, तो
नहीं नहीं, ठीक है, गुड गुड। तो कॉलेज फिनिश हो गया आपका?
अभी कल ही रिजल्ट आया मेरा, तो उसके
अरे
साथ ही
कंग्रेचुलेशन।
हाँ,
ओके, परफेक्ट। हाउ डिड यू गेट
तो
दिस जॉब?
एक्चुअली मैंने 2 इंटर्नशिप की थी पिछला, मतलब लास्ट पूरा ईयर, और उसमें एक इंटर्नशिप थी जो पार्ट टाइम थी और दूसरी इंटर्नशिप फुल टाइम थी, और उन दोनों को मैंने लाइक अच्छे से किया, और फिर मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट भी बनाया था सीआरएम से का टाइप। फिर मैंने वो पिच किया मेरा प्रोजेक्ट, तो उन्होंने एज ओ जावा डेवलपर ले लिया, बट मेरा बैकग्राउंड मर्ज टेक में है, बट उनको
ओके
यूआई और सब पसंद आया चीजें। तो सर मेरा
ओके।
क्वेश्चन ये है कि लाइक अभी मुझे ये मेरा करियर ऐसे डिजाइन मतलब करना है कि कंसल्टेंसी में, लाइक डेवऑप्स और डेवसेकऑप्स, लाइक सिक्योरिटी और क्लाउड में मेरा इंटरेस्ट है, तो वो किस तरीके से मैं कर पाऊंगा लाइक।
तो अभी आपका रोल क्या है? फ्रंट एंड में दिया है रोल आपको?
अभी फुल स्टैक में है, बट मैं
फुल
वहाँ पे
स्टैक।
सीआई/सीडी सेटअप करता हूँ, तो
हम्म।
और मैं थोड़ा बहुत इससे भी कम्युनिकेट कर लेता हूँ मशीन से, तो उनका एक प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है, फर्स्ट मंथ में मैं ऑन प्रोजेक्ट चला गया हूँ।
ओके, परफेक्ट।
तो
तो आपने जॉब शुरू कर दी ऑलरेडी?
यस सर। अभी
अच्छा, ओके, वेरी गुड। और ये जो दो इंटर्नशिप्स थी, दीज वर विद द सेम कंपनी?
नो सर, एक्चुअली इट्स इन सेम सिटी एंड वन ऑफ द इन पुणे, पुणे। यस।
हाउ डिड यू
लास्ट
क्रैक दोज इंटर्नशिप्स?
मैंने एक उनका सीआरएम का उन्होंने एक ये दिया था, मॉड्यूल दिया था, ओपन सोर्स था उनका, तो उस ओपन सोर्स मॉड्यूल को मैंने मेरे उन्होंने एक टास्क दिया था, तो उसको मैंने मेरे समझ के उस ओपन सोर्स सीआरएम को मेरा खुद का एक मॉड्यूल बना के दिया उनको, तो उन्होंने एक
नाइस।
इंटर्नशिप ऑफर की फिर।
और ये ढूंढा कैसे, ओपन सोर्स वाला?
एक्चुअली टीचर का रेफरेंस था, बट
हाँ,
हाँ,
ओके, ठीक है
यस,
ठीक है, फेयर इनफ, ओके।
डायरेक्ट तो कॉल नहीं आ रहे थे।
हाँ नहीं, दैट्स फाइन, दैट्स फाइन। Okay, so your question is ke you have a full stack developer role right now. You're doing some CI/CD stuff also,
यस,
and your goal is you want to become a DevSecOps kind of consultant,
यस
right?
सर, यस,
So I would say first 1 year you should focus on becoming a good full stack developer who
ओके,
can also do DevOps tasks.
ओके,
Okay, but focus on becoming a good full stack developer first.
ओके,
This is a very controversial advice. If you ask 10 people, they will say डॉकर सीख ले, ये सीख लो, वो सीख लो, और 1 साल में डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर का रोल अप्लाई कर देना।
अच्छा,
ये कॉमन आपको मिलेगा, मैं उल्टा बता रहा हूं आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंस से,
ओके,
राइट? बिकम अ वेरी वेरी गुड फुल स्टैक डेवलपर, बिकॉज आज से 4 साल बाद जब आप डेवऑप्स के सॉल्यूशंस डिजाइन करने लगोगे, वो आपको हेल्प करेगा, और तब आप फुल स्टैक डेवलपर नहीं बन सकते हो।
यस,
ओके, तो अभी उस पे फोकस करो, साथ में पाइपलाइंस बनाओ, डेवऑप्स का जितना काम मिलता है बेशक करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन
ओके,
1 साल लगाओ, 1 साल लगेगा ढंग का डेवलपमेंट एक्सपीरियंस लाने में, वो लगाओ। उसके
ओके,
बाद देखना कंपनी का कैसा ग्रोथ है, आपको कैसा मिल रहा है, रेस दे रहे हैं नहीं दे रहे, उसके बाद सोचेंगे। अभी 1 साल टिक के जम के काम कर वहां पे शांति से।
बट स्टडीज में लाइक उस साइड लेके जाना हो करियर, तो कैसे करना चाहिए?
चला जाएगा यार, थोड़ा टाइम तो दे, शुरू तो कर।
ओके,
साइड में बाद में जाएगा, पहले सेंटर में तो आ, शुरू तो कर, बहुत टाइम है। सी, दो तरीके हैं। पहला तरीका जो सारी दुनिया बोलेगी आपको कि डेवऑप्स पढ़ना शुरू कर दे, कुबरनेटिस का सर्टिफिकेशन दे दो, 6 महीने में इंटरव्यू देने शुरू कर दो, डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर लग जाओ। बहुत आसान तरीका है, हो जाएगा, कर भी लोगे।
ओके।
प्रॉब्लम आएगी आज से 3 साल बाद, जब ढंग के सॉल्यूशंस डिजाइन करने पड़ेंगे। तब आपको डेवलपमेंट समझेगा नहीं, क्योंकि आपने किया नहीं है। तब अटक जाओगे, तब कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे।
यस।
तो जो मैं तरीका बता रहा हूं थोड़ा लंबा है, लेकिन बेटर है। कौन सा लेना वो आपके ऊपर डिसीजन है, वो आप देख सकते हो। लॉजिक मैंने आपको बता दिया।
ओके सर, एक और क्वेश्चन था, लाइक ऑनलाइन पीजी डिग्री कर सकते हैं, मतलब करनी चाहिए
किसमें?
एमसीए वगैरह?
क्या रीजन है, क्यों करनी है?
नहीं, करनी चाहिए या फिर नहीं, लाइक?
नहीं नहीं, मैं वो इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ ना, आपका क्या थॉट है कि एमसीए करके क्या हो जाएगा?
बस बस सीनियर्स का था कि लाइक प्रमोशंस मिल जाएंगे, थोड़ा।
एमसीए करके?
पता नहीं, बस किसी ने बोला था मुझे।
वो क्या कर रहा है जिसने बोला?
वो है आईटी में ही है अभी,
अरे
सीएस।
हाँ, कितना एक्सपीरियंस है?
लाइक 6-7 साल का, लाइक 22 पे ऐसा कुछ पैकेज है उनका।
नहीं नहीं, पैकेज तो ठीक है यार, पैकेज वैकेज नहीं पूछ रहा मैं। सी,
ओके।
पॉइंट ये है यार, एमसीए 2 साल का होगा।
यस।
हाँ, तो 2 साल पूरी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी उससे, भले ऑनलाइन करो, पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा,
हाँ। यस।
है ना? और आई कैन गारंटी यू 80% उसका सिलेबस ऑब्सोलीट है आज के दिन,
यस, हाँ देखा मैंने।
है ना? तो क्या मतलब है वो करके?
ओके।
राइट, कोई पॉइंट नहीं है ना। और वैसे भी एमसीए की ऐसी कोई बहुत तोड़ वैल्यू है नहीं आज के दिन भी, कि खाली
नहीं
एमसीए की डिग्री देख के कोई बुला ले, वो तो होने नहीं वाला,
नहीं, एक्चुअली
है ना?
हाँ,
हम्म,
तो दोनों भी, हम बीसीए वाले भी और एमसीए वाले भी सेम ही जगह पे इंटर्नशिप कर रहे थे, सेम ही पेमेंट में।
एग्जैक्टली माई पॉइंट। तो अगर मेरे पास एक एमसीए की डिग्री लेके आ रहा बंदा वर्सेस एक बंदा सिर्फ बीसी है, लेकिन वो 2 साल में उसने ढंग का काम किया है, 4 ढंग के प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं, अपना प्रोजेक्ट एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहा है, तो मेरे लिए इसकी ज्यादा वैल्यू है।
यस।
दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड फोकस ऑन। अनलेस यू टेल मी कि मैं एक पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट का प्रोग्राम कर रहा हूं आईआईटी दिल्ली से, 1 साल का है, वो बात अलग है। फिर वो आईआईटी का ठप्पा आ जाता है, वो बात अलग है।
ओके।
वो ठप्पे की वैल्यू है, कंटेंट की भी उधर वैल्यू नहीं है, ठप्पे की वैल्यू है। अगर वो ठप्पा नहीं है तो फिर एमसीए करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है यार, पॉइंट नहीं है। उससे अच्छा अपने काम पे फोकस करो, साइड पे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, ओपन सोर्स आपको पता ही है, इन चीजों पे फोकस करो, दैट विल मेक मोर सेंस।
ओके सर, थैंक
ठीक
यू।
है, ऑलराइट, थैंक्स ऋषि।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके, एक कुंदन।
Hi, Savinda. How are you?
हाय, वेरी गुड यार।
Okay, so like we spoke around like 6-7 months back. That time I asked you for the suggestion, like what should be
ओके,
focusing, because I pivoted my career from networking to coding as well as DevOps. So you
ओके,
suggested me to better be in a cloud because it's related much more related to the networking thing. Okay, so
करेक्ट।
so I was learning this thing Azure cloud, and a little bit I was when I was learning Terraform. That time I learned little bit of cloud AWS as well, because to give this Terraform exam, AWS is required. So that also I learned. So the now when moreover, thanks for the session. It was really good. I really helped me to learn so many good things. And
ओके,
now my concern is, see, study is boring, very boring.
ऑफ कोर्स।
Okay, and when you have a question and with answer, that is damn boring. Like you feel like you know everything because you have question and you have answer also. Because
हाँ,
जो भी
ओके,
मैं ऑनलाइन
अंडरस्टूड।
देख रहा हूँ, वीडियोस जो प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहा हूँ, आंसर है वहां पे अवेलेबल उसके।
हाँ,
तो मेरा ये है कि लाइक मेरे को अभी प्रैक्टिकल करने के लिए कुछ है जहाँ पे मैं किसी को, कोई फोरम आप जानते हो जहाँ पे मैं अपना इनपुट दे पाऊँ, मैं उनके लिए कर पाऊँ, बिकॉज आई हैव टाइम, मेरे पास ऑफिस में भी ऐसा नहीं कि आई एम इन गुड कंपनी एमएनसी, बट
ठीक,
they are
टाइम
not
मिल
giving
जाता
me
है आपको।
more of a work. Like I'm
ठीक है,
kind of almost like hardly 1-2 hours I need to work. Rest I'm totally free. Personal time also I have. I'm free.
ठीक है।
मेरे को थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि मेरे पास 15 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया एज ऑफ नाउ, एंड इसको
ओह! हुँ,
बिकॉज आई वाज इन नेटवर्किंग फॉर 13.5 years.
ओके,
Then I
ओके।
pivoted my career in same company. I
हुँ,
switched the team. That's it. So वहाँ पे कोडिंग था, वहाँ पे क्लाउड भी था, डेवऑप्स भी था, सब कुछ एंड टू एंड करना है आपको, कोडिंग भी करनी है और
हाँ,
फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड डेटाबेस सब कुछ। तो मैंने चेंज तो कर लिया, बट अब मेरे को उसमें ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को कोडिंग में रहना है, क्योंकि मेरे को एक चीज़ समझ में आ गई थी कोडिंग में रह के कि कोडिंग में तो मैं जीत नहीं पाऊँगा, क्योंकि फ्रेशर भी
ऑफ़
आएँगे मेरे
कोर्स,
साथ चीज़ कर लेंगे।
करेक्ट,
तो मेरे
ट्रू।
को क्यों देंगे पैसा? तो
हुँ,
मैंने आपसे पूछा था और मैंने जो बाकी जो और भी रिसर्च किया, तो बेसिकली आई फाउंड कि डेवऑप्स एंड क्लाउड विल बी द बेस्ट, बिकॉज़ देयर uh, they need a mixture of system designing or networking
हुँ,
architecture, basic architecture
हुँ,
you can. तो मैंने इसलिए ये
हुँ,
फील्ड चूज किया। नाउ द कंसर्न इज
ठीक
कहाँ
है।
ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन है जहाँ पे मैं अपना इनपुट दे के या कुछ लाइव का काम करके किसी के लिए करके
ओके,
ये
अंडरस्टूड।
एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर
Abhi,
सकता
tell me, what is your current role in your organization? Don't
हूँ।
give me the
करंट
name of the organization,
हाँ हाँ आई विल
but
टेल।
overall क्या है?
Actually, it's end to end. Basically, I we have to do the coding as well. We need to deploy it into Azure as well, and do the DevOps thing also. Everything we only need to do, and we are a 7-person members team. That's it.
Okay.
Not on a very high level kind of projects we are making. We are just making a tool for the team, internal team only. It's a network team.
हुँ,
तो
हुँ,
उनके लिए जो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट आई, दैट्स सब, तो उनके लिए
हुँ।
सॉफ्टवेयर बना के डिप्लॉय करके करना, एंड नॉट ऑफ अ मच वर्क वी आर गेटिंग बेसिकली।
ठीक है। So these question that you're asking is outside of your job, what can you do? That's what
हाँ
you're
हाँ,
asking.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट, यस।
ठीक है। तो इसके 2 तरीके हैं। पहले तो जैसे आप पढ़ रहे हो ना, you have to change that way of studying.
ओके।
Okay, one way of studying is that okay, I have to learn Terraform. So let me watch 5 videos on Terraform. Let me get a course of Terraform. Let me go through that course. That's the traditional way of learning it, which is not valid for you because you have 15 years experience.
या
If you are a fresher, it is still okay because you don't even know anything. So there is no baseline, but that's not valid for you.
या
If I were you and if I had to learn Terraform, the way I would do it is okay, I need to learn Terraform. Fantastic. What the hell is Terraform first? What is the use of Terraform? Okay? These are open questions. I am either Googling it or Chat GPT or whatever. Doesn't matter. Right? So, what is Terraform? What is the use of Terraform? What are the other tools like Terraform in the industry? क्योंकि अकेला तो होगा नहीं ना, और भी कोई इसके भाई बहन होंगे। क्या
सबको
है?
ही है। हाँ।
राइट? तो वो पता कर लिया। ओके,
हम्म
टेराफॉर्म किस यूज केस में चलता है, वर्सेस एंसिबल कहाँ होता है, वर्सेस पैकर कहाँ यूज होता है। आई नो द डिफरेंसेस। Okay, so now I have a theoretical idea. Okay, this is Terraform, this is where it is used, these are the differences. That much I know. This will take you 3-4 days, not more than that. Okay, now you come to, okay, I know Terraform is infrastructure as code. I have a background of networking. I know a little bit about AWS also. Right? Okay, so let's say what is the simplest thing in AWS? Let's say we can create an EC2 machine.
यस
Right? Okay,
यस
so let's see how to create an EC2 machine using Terraform. Okay, I'm not watching any video. Right? What I do is I go to I Google this. I don't go to Chat GPT because वो आंसर दे देगा फिर.
आंसर देगा।
Right?
तो
So I
लाइक दिस
start.
थिंग, नो सॉरी
Hmm?
गो अहेड, सॉरी गो
नहीं
अहेड।
नहीं, क्या पूछ
नो
रहे हो?
आई वाज टेलिंग ये चीज तो ये सब मैंने किया हुआ है, टेराफॉर्म मैंने पढ़ा सब, लाइक मैंने ये सब किया हुआ है, लाइक इनकी स्टेट फाइल कैसे उनको अलग
नहीं
स्टोरेज में
नहीं,
रखना
hear
है।
me out. Hear me out. Hear me out.
That's
What
right.
I'm saying is, your goal is to create an EC2 instance. Right? Now you can watch a video about creating an EC2 instance. You will know how to do it. That is not what I'm saying. I'm
Okay.
saying Google how to create an EC2 instance. You will
Mm-hmm.
get 10 links. Pick up the first one, start doing it.
Mm-hmm.
It'll fail. Then research. Then go again.
Mm-hmm.
Ultimately, you'll be able to create an EC2 instance. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
now you've not theoretically read it. You've not watched a video. You've actually created an instance.
Mm-hmm.
Now complicate this. Okay, let me create 3 instances. Let me create a VPC.
Okay.
Again, go to Google and say, okay, how do I create a VPC through Terraform? What module do I need to use? Google, do Google implement, nahi ho raha, chat GPT implement. But your goal is implementation. Your goal is not to watch a video. Your goal is not to go to chat GPT, get the answer. Your goal is to do something.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how you should learn, because then you are actually creating something. You're not watching anything.
बट इंडस्ट्री में थोड़ा डिफरेंट काम होता है, क्योंकि मैंने ना एक लाइक हेल्पिंग हैंड एज अ प्रोजेक्ट में मैंने एनरोल किया था अपने आप को. दे
Hmm.
आस्क्ड मी टू क्रिएट अ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड बेसिकली व्हाट दे रोट, इन्होंने टेराफॉर्म का कुछ तो बोला था, स्टार्टअप
Okay,
गाइड
something. Okay.
कुछ तो बॉयलर
Hmm.
नहीं, कुछ तो स्टार्ट
Hmm.
कैसे होता है वो, वर्ड याद नहीं आ रहा वो. Like infra in Terraform, via Terraform, they asked me to create a, क्या कहते हैं इसका, मैं नाम भूल
Okay,
गया
something.
उसका.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, there's a comment here to talk in English here. Somebody can't understand Hindi.
Okay,
Let's
okay, fine,
let's stay
fine.
in English. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
So they told you to do something. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, I myself enrolled into that project where I can give my contribution. So there also they asked me to maintain, because I only told that project was also end to end. So I showed my
Hmm.
interest. I want to work into infrastructure as code part, DevOps thing. Oh, they said
Okay.
okay, you can do,
Hmm.
but how it's not like they directly I can start writing a Terraform code in the file. They, some processes are there.
Hmm.
Startup plate, I don't remember basically.
Maybe
What
some
was
startup kit they have which you fill
startup
in.
kit, something
Okay.
jump start kit might be
Jump start
jump
kit.
start
Yeah.
kit.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And uh, um, and for provisioning also they goes via some other, via tool, some other I don't remember
See,
exactly.
all enterprises will have a different way of doing things.
Yeah, that's
Right?
the
Because
thing.
somewhere you won't directly have access on AWS to create instances. It could be done by a separate team.
Mhm.
That could happen, right? Your question was, I'm getting bored doing theoretical learning. How do I do practical learning? That was your question.
Yeah,
No?
theoretical. Yeah, that was also the question. And main thing is not, if I'm doing the hobby. Basically, these are the hobby works which I'm doing, hobby practicals. This is not a
Hmm.
live practical. So
Hmm.
while doing that, I'm good getting bored.
Hmm.
Not yeah, that. So I'm asking any forum or any person whom you can link me where I can work on live things.
Okay, so I don't give direct recommendations like this, but what you can do is you can download Slack,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and search on Slack. There are a lot of open forums for Terraform, for Kubernetes. There are a
Okay.
lot of channels which are open. You can join that.
Okay. Take care. Fine. Let
Okay.
me. Can you accept my request in LinkedIn? I
Hi, yaar,
put.
I have about 700 requests. I've been working on it for 3-4 days. I'll come to you in a couple of days. I'm working on it. I'll come. I'll reach that.
Okay. Okay.
Every time I try and bring it down to less than 100, then it pumps up again.
Okay. Might be you
I'll
accept.
do that.
1 minute. Might be you
ठीक है?
accepted. Yeah. Yeah. You already accepted. Sorry. I've
Okay.
checked two
I
days
have?
back.
Okay.
Accepted. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
आज I put in about 1.5-2 hours to do accept request. Maybe I covered it.
Okay. I see
ठीक
you
है.
are saying search on Slack, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Jesus.
Slack has a lot of these kind of open forums. You can
Mm-hmm.
join them.
Okay. And
ठीक है?
another thing, like the way uh, well, fine. I will see. I will see. I
Okay.
will try to find it answer myself. That will be
Sure.
better.
Cool. Thanks, Kundan. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, guys, if you're trying to join in, the studio is full right now. So wait for some time. When people come out, then you'll be able to join in. Okay. It only allows 10 people. Hi, Amit.
Yeah,
Amit,
hi
go
sir.
ahead.
How are you? Hi sir, how are you? I'm
Good, good,
audible?
very good. Thank you. Yep.
Yeah. Thank you for this opportunity. I we did this some discussion in last I guess live video. So
Okay.
currently I have 4 year experience. First, let me uh, tell you about myself. I have 4 year experience, and currently I'm
Uh-huh.
working as a platform engineer. Earlier, I
Okay.
start my career as a cloud engineer, but I shift now in a platform engineer. So in work wise, I am good. Everything is fine. Uh,
Hmm.
Everything is sorted. Earlier, I was planned to become a DevOps engineer, but now
Hmm.
working 1 year in platform engineering side, my
Hmm.
entire focus gets shifted into research area, and I
Okay.
enrolled myself in master in cloud computing as well, along with my
Hmm.
platform engineering job. And
Hmm.
my area, my research, my interest get changed into research area. So
Okay.
I just need some guidance there. I try to publish one paper, one research paper, like how computing paradigm. How this in AI revolution, when people are talking about there is a AI revolution, how computing paradigm is very important there and playing a very crucial role, be it a GPU, CPU, TPU, whatever we can say here, parallel
Hmm.
computing and all. So I tried to publish a very basic research paper in ResearchGate online forum there.
Okay.
I need some guidance, like as you mentioned in many videos, like try to start community building and attend conference and and all those kind of stuff. So how being a 4 year or you can say 3 to 4 year experienced guy, start
Hmm.
joining these community and start putting my research paper in front of big community. This is my first
Hmm.
question.
Okay. So see, number of years of experience has got nothing to do with it, especially in research, right? What matters is what is your passion and how much you can study and what is the output that you generate. Okay. So first, have you defined your area of research? What interests you?
Yes, I defined.
What is
It's
it?
a parallel computing, and especially in parallel computing and distributing computing.
ठीक है, perfect. Then what you should focus on is figure out forums on parallel computing, whether it's a LinkedIn forum, whether it is an online forum. Figure out publications which talk about this, but start with forums first. Check on Slack, there could be some open channels, right? Do a Google search and figure out forums in this area, right? And there could also be a lot of people who do online meetups.
Hmm.
Which city are you in?
In Delhi.
Delhi. So Delhi, maybe there could be some in-person meetups also. Go to meetup.com and see if they have any meetups happening in this area. Okay, so become a part of that ecosystem, whether it is online forums, meetup, start from there. And then figure out which are the publications which are at a slightly middle level, not the top of the world, but slightly mid-level publications which also encourage other people to which include first time authors. There are some publications which will only accept you if you have a PhD or if you have a 20-year experience. Only then you are eligible to write. But some will accept you if you have first time author also. So these are two parallel tracks. One is forums, online meetups, in person meetups. This will give you the network, and then
Yes.
try out publications which are mid level. And also this article that you have written, mm, go on Hashnode and see if there are communities around that, and then start publishing it yourself also.
Okay.
Whatever you write, create a goal that every 2 3 weeks I will put out a paper.
Okay.
Okay, it might not be the greatest in the world, but the point is, when you give your publication to a decent place, you can point to them and say, these are the 20 papers that I've written. So there is a body of knowledge that you expose. It might be self-published. That is okay. Initial, hai na? That's fine.
Initial.
But if you show them 20 articles that you've written, maybe two of them will interest them. It just proves your credibility.
Okay.
Right? So for you, learn in public has a different meaning. It is more on research papers. It is not for you. It is not, hey, I tried to do this. I got this error. This is how I fixed it. That is not your area.
No, no,
You
no.
don't have to
Yes.
post every day. You post every
Correct.
2 weeks, 3 weeks, but post a research paper. Okay, so
Okay.
that is the algorithm that should help.
Just add on question here. Sometimes I feel
Very
like
quickly, we'll have to. I
yes,
need to cover a lot of other
yes,
people.
yes. Just add
Huh.
on question. Sometimes I feel like I am getting into that area where there is less demand. I mean, in terms of if I pursue as a DevOps itself, I will get a good job and handsome. I mean, I will change my jobs and I will get good handsome salary. But
You are
yes,
you are getting into an area which is of tomorrow.
okay,
DevOps is yesterday and today.
okay,
It's a fantastic area. It will lean into quantum computing,
yes.
which is coming tomorrow. Stick into it. Prove
Thank you,
yourself. It'll
thank
be
you,
brilliant. You're on the right line, but stick to it.
thank you, thank you very
Okay?
much.
All right. Thanks, Amit. Okay. Hi, Ayush.
Hi, hello, Surinder.
Anji, let's be a little quick here. I need to cover a lot of people.
Yeah. So
Huh.
I've graduated from VIT in 23, and then I've joined MNC. Here I'm working as a security platform engineer. That is the title. So initially I wasn't aware what we're doing, but we had a broad tech stack that is Jenkins, GitHub Action, mostly migration and upgradation works, not from building things from the scratch. So it's in the DevOps area only. So my question is, if I have interest in AI, so do I have to go towards MLOps or do projects in Gen AI development and uh, go towards that direction? So I'm confused between these two.
What do you mean by AI?
AI
What does
like
it mean?
Gen AI development, which uses LangChain and LangGraph. That is which is the emerging fields in the AI.
And why do you want to switch?
Uh, in college, I had done few projects, and I have inclination towards that area. That's the one reason. Yeah,
Have you created something using LangChain or some other things like that?
yeah, yeah. So I've used OpenAI's API and used LangGraph to build some educational app. Like some student can write a doubt, and the AI or the images or video could appear. So it's basic thing only. So yeah, I want your advice. Like, should I even think about going towards AI, or even in this field is of demand, like security and cloud? So what? How should I
See,
identify? Yeah, yeah,
see, it is a very personal choice, right?
okay,
Everybody is talking about AI doesn't mean that you leave whatever you're doing and jump into AI. AI also is a very broad area. What the hell does it mean? Right? LangChain is one teeny mini bit of nothing,
yeah,
right? So, cloud and security, think logically, right? The more AI gets matured and the more code is generated through AI, security will become even more important, right? Because now a human developer can produce maybe 200 lines or 500 lines of code in a day. An AI agent can produce 10,000 lines of code every minute.
yeah,
The more the code, the more the need to secure it and to make it resilient, right? तो ये एरिया तो ग्रो होने ही वाला है. There is no doubt about it.
okay,
The point is you have to start thinking about how do I use security for AI,
okay,
right? Because that will be the future, right? As more and more people come, or as more and more bots come in, more and more code is generated through AI, you'll have to put in security around that, and the traditional level of security will not work there.
yes,
Yeah, so I think it's a good area. If you have interest, stick with it. And
Okay.
like that, you can't change every once in a while, right? Aaj AI hai, tomorrow BI will come, tomorrow day after CI will come. What the hell?
True.
Right? You can't keep changing like that, right?
Yeah, agreed.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay. Thanks, Avish. All right, guys. If you want to talk, come on the camera. Okay, Krishna, go ahead, please.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I am a BTech third year student in EC branch. Actually,
Electronics and telecom.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Electronics
Okay.
and communication, sir. Actually, I
Communication. Okay.
not have any internship offer yet, and my communication skills and other are poor as well.
Okay.
Okay, or sir, technical. I working on technical skills, but I'm switching between different domains. Sometime I done Merge Stack, sometime I done Python.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
What's the question?
So question is what I do for get is internship.
Were you in the chat from the beginning? Do you hear the first two people that I spoke to?
Yes, sir.
Did you get any ideas?
Uh,
What did they do to crack an internship?
they did projects and specify one domain and work on several months on this domain.
That is the answer, man. There is no secret to it, right? Kya we? What else are you looking for? They already gave you the answer. That is exactly what you have to do.
Hmm. Yes, sir. But internship सर हार्ड लग रही है लेनी मतलब ग्रैब करनी मेरे को अभी पता
Of
नहीं
course,
क्या
it is hard.
हम्म
Of course,
ओके
there is nothing easy,
हम्म
right? It
हम्म
is 10:30 in the evening at night on a Saturday night.
हम्म
Don't you think I have better things to do than do a live? It is hard work, right? I have a family, I have a daughter, I can go play with her, watch a movie, but we manage everything and come and do the live, right? Of course, it is bloody hard work.
हम्म
But if you want the success, if you want the money, you have to do the hard work.
यस सर
There is no doubt about it. Yeah, come on.
ओके सो सर
Okay.
विच डोमेन पिक
I don't know, yeah. How can I tell you that? You
ओके
figure out, right? Whatever interests you. How do you expect me to answer that? Right?
ओके सर
Pick one thing, do it for a while. If you don't like it, change. I can't give you the answer. Na man kar this, that. How do I know? Yeah, I can't give you that answer. For that, I'll have to sit with you for 2 hours.
ओके
Right?
वी आर राइट
Okay. Thanks, Krishna. All right. The other guys on the who are already connected on the live, switch on your cameras and then we can talk. Okay, Aditya, go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Yep. Good evening.
Sir, first of all, sir, thank you so much for your content, sir. It's really wonderful. And sir,
Thank
my
you.
name is Aditya Pushola, and currently I
Hmm.
am at NIT Rourkela pursuing Masters in Technology in Biomedical Engineering. So, sir, as I am from non-CS branch, uh, and we are currently pursuing like our actual work project is on machine learning and artificial intelligence.
Okay.
And it's a actually that's our main problem we are facing right now that we are not good at implementing things, but I am able to do these things by using ChatGPT or Gemini, like AI
Hmm.
tools. By taking help from them, I am able to do it. Uh, so, sir, actually, I want to know, sir, how can we improve this? Sir?
You want a sugar coated answer or you want the honest answer?
The honest answers.
बंद कर दो चैट जीपीटी यूज करना
Yes, sir.
और कोई जवाब नहीं है गूगल पे चले जाओ गूगल योर
Yes, sir.
आंसर्स it will give you 20 answers 10 of them will be crap but that is where you learn stop using chat gpt
Yes, sir.
that's the honest
And
answer the only time when you should learn use chat gpt is when you get the solution but you still don't know okay what the hell is this doing I know it works but how does it work get
yes, sir.
explanation from chat gpt not the solution from chat gpt that's the only way to do it Otherwise, वो क्या है ना, it's good spoon feeding, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what is happening. You will never learn.
And sir, one more thing I want to ask that, uh, sir, currently as I am from BTech in, I have done my BTech in biotechnology and currently pursuing biomedical engineering. So, sir, I don't have that experience of computer science branch. So, sir, how can I overcome this problem that which I'll be facing on the interviews, that they will ask like, you are from, your background is biotech and you are going into CS branch.
How do you think you will overcome it? What is your thought? See, why will I ask? See, if I have two people interviewing, one is Aditya and one is Arjun, right? I'm just taking random names. Arjun, I
Yes,
see
sir.
him on the screen in front of me. I have these two people, right? Arjun is not able to answer my questions very well. He's getting stuck somewhere. Aditya is able to answer everything. Do I care what background you're coming from? No, right?
Yes.
If you have managed to get to the interview stage and if you have the skills, then it is to your advantage actually, that even though you're not from this field, still you have enough knowledge that you're able to answer my questions. That's what matters. So you have to be that good that it doesn't matter you are not from computer science. You have to work harder. There is no other way. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks Aditya. All right. Hi Arjun, go ahead please.
Hi, sir. Sir, I'm not from the CS background also. So I
Okay.
started my web development journey in February this year only. I have a friend
Hmm.
who is in the CS field who is a web developer and working. So he guided me through it, and he made me learn the MERN stack. So in the
Okay.
last 5-6 months, I've been learning MERN stack, and I've been making projects in it. Right from making projects from a small JavaScript to learning React, then React plus Vite, and then learning MongoDB and all of that, the full stack.
Hmm.
So recently, in the month of June, I applied for an internship in
Hmm.
the on LinkedIn only,
Hmm.
and there I got selected. The internship is of that type that they gave us some projects
Hmm.
initially, and they said that the projects that they gave us, they will check, they gave us 2 months of the time already to see that
Hmm.
what kind of project we make,
What's your
the code.
question, Arjun? What's your question?
uh, so I'm asking that the thing is that it's a story also, and a question in the last.
Okay.
So the thing is that the internship will be paid from the third month based on the code that we have written and all.
Okay.
So as I've started learning recently, 6 months ago, and interestingly, I'm enjoying the coding and all of it. So what do you think I should go into? Because I'm interested in the field, and I'm interested in learning and all. So what do I should stick with the web development part, or I should go into AIML as it is the burning thing right
Okay.
now?
Very
Yes,
simple. You have this internship.
yes, sir.
They've given you 3 months. If you do a good job, then you get paid. Right? Correct? Arjun, are you there? Arjun, can you hear me? Arjun, can you hear me? He's gone. Okay. Danish, go ahead, please.
Yeah, hi, good evening, sir. So
Good evening.
recently, like I just graduated in 2025. Right now, I'm doing internship in Next.js and the Node, Express, MongoDB and all. So
Hmm.
during my final year of college, I have learned to deploy basic application on EC2 instances, and
Hmm.
I'm like also interested in learning DevOps for now. So
Hmm.
while learning Linux and all, I'm like confused between the two certification. One is AWS Developer Associate Certificate, which is for developers, and
Hmm.
one is the Solution Architect. So, like, I'm confused between these two certification, which one I should opt for.
How much do they cost?
So they actually cost the same $100, like one
How
fifty
much?
or $100.
700.
No, $100.
$100. Okay. To be very honest with you, I'm not a fan of certifications. Right? And now the trend that I'm seeing is people have stopped valuing certifications. They are asking because people who do certifications also don't know anything.
Yeah.
Right? So certifications are lost their value. The value that they had 3 4 years back, that is gone now. So if you really want to do it, then it doesn't matter, pick what appears to you. But if you were to listen to me, I would say rather than spending that 10,000 rupees, save it, spend it on having pizzas for the next 3 months and focus on creating projects.
Yeah, sure.
That is what will give you more value.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
that's my answer.
Additionally, can I like ask one more question?
Very quickly, very quickly. Yeah,
So,
go.
sir, basically, like what happened in my final interview round in a campus placement is, appeared for a I cleared all the round, but in HR round they were asking for a basic cloud certification. So, like, if I have to like do one certification, can you suggest me from these cloud providers, GCP, AWS, or like Amazon, which one I should pick from the famous three
Doesn't
certifications?
matter. Pick anyone. Doesn't matter. They're all the
Okay, thank you
same.
so much. Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much.
All right. Who's been here longest? Oh, Arjun, you're back. Yeah, Arjun.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry for the connection interruption. Yes,
No,
please.
no. I forgot your question now. Sorry.
Oh,
Can you repeat?
s-
What was your
yes,
question?
yes.
Bhul gaya.
It's okay, sir. Sir, so I was telling you that I'm confused that should I stick with the web development or should I go
Oh,
into
yeah,
the
yeah. I
AI
remember.
ML field? Yes.
Okay, okay. So this company that has given you the internship, they have told you
Yes.
that if you, in 3 months you produce good code, then they will pay you. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So right now, focus on the first 3 months. And how much time has it happened? How many months out of those 3 months?
It's been only 3 weeks up to now.
3 weeks. Then for the
Yes.
next 3 months, focus on this.
All right,
Get
sir.
paid. Get your
Yes. All right.
internship.
Okay.
Complete your internship. Get a full-time job
Okay, sir.
in the same company. Crack that.
Okay, sir. All right.
Okay.
Done.
Then worry about everything else. Job
Okay.
is more important than anything else. Crack this job.
Yes, sir.
Make sure in 3 months they should be willing to offer you, not just udhar hi so na, eat, drink, sleep there only. Don't come home.
All right.
तंग कर दे उनको जान
All
ले ले
right.
उसकी.
जी, बिल्कुल.
Okay, that's
All right.
forget about AI, ML, all that bloody nonsense. Get your job
Okay.
first. That's the only
Okay,
thing
sir.
that matters.
Okay, sir. All right.
Okay, thanks. All right. Arpan, I think you've been waiting for a while. Go ahead, please. अरे यार ये तो अटक गया. अर्पण गया. Okay. यशद यशद ना.
Hello. Yes, sir.
हाँ जी.
Hello.
Go ahead यार.
Good evening, sir. Sir, myself Yashad. I am currently a second year BTech student. Currently, I am studying CS, specializing in AI ML. From January to last month, I had been doing a free internship with no stipend. So
Okay.
it is a startup, and I worked there for 6 months. Now, like last week when we had meeting for my, uh, you know, uh, how do I say, मतलब जब कंपनी लीव कर रहा था तब जो लास्ट मीटिंग which is they informed me, so like once I'm done with my exams, which will be from the next week, so it will take a 1 month schedule, right? So after 1 month, they said that they want me back in the team. right? For working
Okay.
for the company.
Hmm.
So I have done full stack projects. I have
What's your
worked.
question? What's your question?
Sir, my question is like, how should I select a specific domain? Because I am currently working in full stack. Then I'm also working with AIML, developing products for clients. I'm
Okay, this
also working
company
on.
which has called you now, where you've done the free work, will they pay you now?
So currently, I have no idea.
Then ask, na? They said come back to the team,
Right.
right? That's what they said. For what? Tell them, guys, the free lunch is over. See, firstly, though, I don't buy the logic of doing free internships. You're putting in your effort, right? You better get paid. They can pay you less. That is okay. But why free? To me, that is immoral. काम किया ना तो पैसा दो ना
Yes.
यार. They might not pay you 10,000 per month. They might pay you 3,000, 5,000, whatever it is. But it has to be paid, right? So, first question should be you should talk to them and say, guys, you're saying once my exams are over for me to come and join the team. Is it paid? How much money will I get? Can I get a provisional offer letter? First question. If you don't get a provisional offer letter, say thank you very much for your help. Stop. Look somewhere else. They are making a fool of you. Okay?
Okay,
So
sir.
right now the question is if this company gives you a job with a decent enough salary, even if it is less, that is okay. But you have a job. That is what matters more. Then whatever they ask you to do for the next 6 months, do it. Your domain will automatically emerge. Don't worry. But if they don't pay you, please stay away. Find a proper job. Domain and all will evolve later on its own. यार शुरू तो कर पहले. जहां नौकरी मिलती है वहां ले ले. It's as simple as that, right? When do you pass out?
Sir, I'm
Now?
currently studying. I'm in my second year.
Oh, you're in the second year. Free time है
Yes, sir.
ना तो 2 साल है ना. Figure out ना. Try everything. Then it's okay. यार.
So
See, but
that was my
still, they.
question. Like, मैं domain को explore कैसे करूँ? Because like I am interested in blockchain along with AI. लेकिन इतना ज़्यादा how can we say इतना ज़्यादा way of learning नहीं है इन दोनों चीज़ें के लिए, right? Because people say कि AI सीख सकते, it's easy, but nor material or projects are currently that actually uses AI and its basics. ये अभी इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल नहीं है सीखने के लिए, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन रिसर्चिंग ऑन इट फॉर द लास्ट 2 years. सो आई नो
Hmm.
अबाउट इट लाइक बहुत ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है टू गेट हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस ऑन दीज थिंग्स, राइट? So how
Hmm.
can I actually gain experience on that? That was like the
On
main
what?
agenda.
Blockchain.
Yes,
Blockchain,
sir,
you're saying.
blockchain and artificial intelligence.
But what in artificial? See, blockchain is a. Right now, it is not a booming technology. It might come back in 6 months, 1 year, who knows? Right now, it is nowhere. Artificial intelligence meaning what?
Okay, sir. So, sir, creating projects or products by utilizing NLPs and LLMs.
So there is a lot of material on that. Why do you say that? Because you can set up your own LLMs, you can set it up on your laptop today and start tweaking them. Why do you say there is no material on that?
No, sir, not material, more like projects for like there are projects लेकिन वो starter level के लिए नहीं है जहाँ पे actually I can actually understand from the basics. वो moderate to high level projects available है in the
See, buddy, nobody
development.
will see because these are evolving technologies, right? The content is not created yet. But have you set up Olama on your machine, on your laptop?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
On
what have you
Olama
installed on that?
and Hugging
Hmm.
Face. So, sir, I actually am currently developing a product that will generate LinkedIn posts for me. So, it's an automated post that utilizes my old post as a preference and as a reference to generate new posts. So, that's one. I am currently, in the my last company, we was
Okay,
developing.
understood. See, I have to go to other people also. What I'll tell you is I
Okay.
understand your problem statement. you should look out for forums which deal with NLP and LLMs. There are a lot of open forums right now. Join those forums, and from there you will get projects. Also, in the open source world, search what people are doing with LLM. A lot of these things are happening on open source. Those two are your pointers. From there, you will get stuff. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. Okay, Sumit, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. So my name is Sumit. I have completed my graduation in 2025, and
Hmm.
I have just in cloud and DevOps. I have started one course of 6 to 7 months in Pune. I'm doing
Hmm.
it online, and I want to start like build cloud and AI, and which will make big impact in future. I want to work on
Okay.
it. How can I
What's
start
your
my
question?
journey? Hey, how can I start my journey and in cloud and DevOps as a fresher?
उसकी तो वीडियो मैंने बनाया ना यार, जाके देख लेना.
Yes, sir, I
क्या?
have watched your video,
Then what is
but
your question?
nahi, how can I like crack internships as a fresher or uh,
अभी
start with?
स्टार्टिंग में सुना ना, दो लोगों ने बोला कैसे क्रैक किया. अभी
Yes,
तेरे लिए
yes,
कोई अलग पुड़िया तो नहीं है ना भाई. वही है ना, सेम लॉजिक यार.
yes. Okay, okay.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank.
Okay, who else? Sachin, go ahead, please.
Hello, sir. This month only I have moved third year, and from all my second year, I've been doing machine learning and deep learning. But when I consulted with my seniors, they said I should jump into Gemini as well because in machine learning, there's no job for a undergrad. I have to do masters first for that. So, but right now I'm confused that should I do Gemini or not? Gen AI because I want to go to into data sciences. So I'm
Hmm.
confused right now with the Gen AI stuff. It's not. I've
तो उससे
started,
सीनियर
but
को पूछता. Ask that senior who told you, right? Ask him, na? Who told you to get into Gen AI, Gemini? Ask him. Some senior told you that you should learn Gemini, Gen AI, right?
yes, sir.
Go and ask him that question, na? You listen to him once, right? Go and check with him.
Uh, uh,
I don't understand the question. What is
sir,
your question? You listen to one guy, right?
yes, sir.
Are you still in touch with that guy? Or was it some random
Yes.
dude somewhere?
No, no, sir. I'm in touch with that guy.
Then did you ask this question to that guy?
Yes, he said you should continue for a while. But it's not like I'm not interested in that. I don't want to be jack of all trades, now, sir.
No, no.
That
I'm saying, see,
yes,
see, Sachin, you took the advice of one person, right?
yes,
Then
sir.
you have a doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
When you go back to that person, did he give you a satisfactory answer or not?
No, sir. That I wasn't satisfied with the answer. That's why I'm asking, you know.
Okay. 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 What do you want to do? What are you interested in?
So that's the thing. Na. Initially, for every domain, initially I'm not interested, but as I work on the stuff, I get into it. Because
Okay.
for machine learning and deep learning also, this was the case. But as I studied it further and further, I got interested, and then I made multiple projects on it. Also, right now, initially, I'm not that much interested in Gen AI, but I know if I'll study it further, I'll go dive deep into it. Maybe I can get interested in it. But that's the thing, na, sir. I don't want to ride on two boats.
Then pick one. What is the question? I still don't understand. You're saying whatever I learn, I get interested in, but I don't want to get interested in two. Then pick one.
But how to
Confusion क्या
select,
है?
sir? the confusion is that I can't pick one. Na? That's the thing.
Coin toss. अभी मतलब दोनों पसंद हैं, दोनों में मजा आ रहा है, लेकिन एक करना है, तो कैसे पिक करेगा अभी? डू बोथ ना. See, you have to pick something, right, where you can get deep expertise. है ना? So
Yes, yes.
if you can't decide, if you enjoy both, then either do both or you just pick one and see where it goes. You're in the second year right now, right? You said
No, no, sir. I've just completed my
you've
second year, and
completed. Do you have a
yes,
job
sir.
right now?
No, sir.
That is your focus then. Forget about everything else. Who cares about your interest? नौकरी ढूंढ पहले.
No. But sir, किस डोमेन में जॉब ढूंढनी चाहिए?
जहां मिल
That's
जाए,
the thing.
जहां मिल जाए. घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता डोमेन का. घर पे कब तक बैठोगे? कोई फर्क पड़ता है?
नहीं सर.
पैसा आना चाहिए ना. तो नौकरी ढूंढो पहले. डोमेन ये सब ना, ये these are very, you know, coffee level conversations, intellectual conversations. Who cares, man? Abhi you stay with your parents, right? Where do you stay?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Sir,
right
so
now
get.
छुट्टियां चल रही हैं, तो अभी तो घर पे.
घर पे है ना भाई, तो नौकरी ढूंढना पहले.
Yes.
बाढ़ में गया.
But sir,
डोमेन, एक्सपीरियंस, इंटरेस्ट, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना यार. सबसे पहले जॉब ले ले बस. इंटरेस्ट अपने आप आ जाएगा. ये इंटेलेक्चुअल कॉन्वर्सेशन करनी बंद करो. नौकरी लो पहले.
okay,
ठीक
okay.
है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. Amrendra, I think you've been waiting for a while. Go ahead, please.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes.
So, sir, I have been into QA for 3 years. So I have experience in manual.
Okay.
And yeah. So is it good to switch to dev role? Like,
Do
I'm
you
tired.
do you
Yeah,
have a job right now?
yeah, I have. Yeah,
Sorry,
I'm
what
currently
did you say?
working.
I missed that. I was reading the comment. Sorry. Go ahead. Go repeat one more time,
Okay.
please.
So I'm a QA with 3 years of experience in manual
Three.
testing. Okay. So is it
Yeah.
good to like switch in dev role?
You have to get out of manual testing as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Whether you switch to
So
automated testing or AI testing or dev role doesn't matter. But please get out of manual testing. That is no role.
okay. Uh,
Right?
so yeah. So like how to target I want to transition my basically role into dev. So I
Why?
have built
Why?
uh,
What kind of
because
dev are you saying?
backend node.
यार प्रोसेस तो सेम ही है ना यार. बिल्ड प्रोजेक्ट, शो योर वर्क, and if possible switch within the same company so you don't have to give interviews. It's easier then,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
What's your question? I don't understand the question. You want to
So is it
Huh.
good to switch into dev?
It depends. If you like dev, then switch.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? See, what I told you is you have to get out of manual testing as soon as possible. Now if you have to get out of here, then pick whatever they are willing to take you on. If your company has projects which are simple in development, they're willing to take you after 2 3
Yeah.
months, sure, make a change. That's fine.
Internal switch.
Yeah, that is always easier, right? Internal
Yeah.
switch is always easier, so make that switch.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. Thank you, sir.
All right, thanks, man. Okay, Akash, go ahead, please.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Hi.
Yeah, so I have also, almost like three years and like 2 months of experience in DevOps. So just to
Mm-hmm.
ask my question, I need to tell you my background because I did only BCom. Then I got placed in one company. I was working in a US healthcare. So I worked almost like 3 years and like 8 months there. Then I got a chance. Like I was not sure that I could like join the DevOps or these things. Then I did one course and I got placed in Ahmedabad. So currently I'm working in as a DevOps engineer. But so like for 2 years I worked totally for DevOps, but in DevOps only we got one tool for the client. So the tool
What's your
name was
question,
like
Akash?
main.com.
Come to the
Yeah.
question. What's your
So
question?
so my question is like now recently I got one opportunity for like working a remote job, right? But like the tools that I have cracked the interviews, like they are using ECS and the other AWS, right? Is Shield or something. And for like I have only like 1 month to prepare these things, so I'm like nervous. Would I be able to catch up the tools, or like these type of nervousness I have?
See, you've already done a lot of things which a lot of people are finding difficult, right?
Yeah,
बीकॉम से ये जॉब तक तो पहुंच गए हो, आगे भी पहुंच ही जाओगे यार, क्या घबराता है अभी? कम ऑन,
बट मैं
लोगों की
यही
फटी
मुझे
पड़ी है
घबराहट
यहाँ
तब हो रही थी
पे, हाँ?
जब मैंने मतलब नॉन आईटी से आईटी में किया था, तो ऐसा ही मेरे साथ हो रहा था। बट अभी मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा नर्वस हूँ क्योंकि वो पैकेज भी अच्छा दे रहे हैं, मे बी दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग टू मच और समथिंग।
क्या हो जाएगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा? नहीं लगेगी, उससे ज्यादा
हाँ
तो कुछ नहीं होगा। वो
हाँ
बोलते
ये
हैं ना,
है।
कुछ ना होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा, इसके बाद एक और
यस,
ट्राई कर लेना। आखिरी कंपनी थोड़ी दुनिया की, क्या कर लेगा?
ऐसा कुछ है जो मैं बीच में कर लूँ कोई प्रोजेक्ट, मुझे पता है वो बिट बकेट यूज कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ कोर्सेज मैं
उनके
ले
टूल्स
लूँ या
पता है
खुद
आपको?
से।
उनके टूल्स पता है?
मुझे ये पता है वो ईसीएस पे है, उनका ईकेएस नहीं है या कुबरनेटिस नहीं है। और वो
तो
वेफ
बढ़िया
है,
है,
जो वेफ
एक
मैंने यहाँ
छोटा
पे किया।
एप्लीकेशन बनाओ, छोटा एप्लीकेशन बिट बकेट में डालो, उसको ईसीएस में डिप्लॉय कर दो, उसके अंदर सिक्योरिटी स्कैन डाल दो, दुनिया भर का तामझाम डाल के दिखा दो उनको।
ऐसा मैं भी कर रहा हूँ वैसे तो।
एक एक खुराफाती आइडिया देता हूँ।
हम्म।
इंटरव्यू शुरू होगा ना, उसको
इंटरव्यू
बोलना
मेरा हो गया, मैं सेलेक्ट हो गया हूँ।
है,
मैं सेलेक्ट हो गया हूँ, मेरी ज्वाइनिंग है 18th को। बट मैं
तो
नर्वस हूँ
प्रॉब्लम
कि
क्या?
मुझे मतलब निकाल ना दे वो, या मैं अच्छा नहीं कर पाया तो क्या होगा, क्योंकि मैंने वो टूल्स यूज नहीं किए हैं इसलिए।
अबे मार, मार खाएगा, क्या है? लोगों की फटी पड़ी है यहाँ पे, नौकरियां नहीं मिल रही है, हो जाएगा सब, क्या है यार? पिछला बंदा देखा था अभी जो आया था, उसकी बियर की बोतल देखी थी
हाँ।
पीछे पड़ी हुई थी? किस किसने देखी? सबने देखी ना, है ना? सबने देखी ना, मैं पूछना भूल गया कौन सी पी रहा था। बियर वियर पी, आराम से हो जाएगा यार, इतना सब कर लिया लाइफ में, अभी क्या घबरा रहा है यार? कम ऑन, कुछ नहीं हो
यस
जाएगा
सर।
सब, क्या है? देख,
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
ऑनेस्टली उन्होंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया है, तो इतनी
हम्म।
जल्दी निकालेंगे नहीं। बहुत टाइम है अभी
हाँ,
तक।
मुझे ये है कि
You'll
3 महीना
figure it
तो
out.
रखेंगे।
एग्जैक्टली, तो 3 महीने में तो अपन दुनिया जीत लेंगे, उसमें क्या है? टेंशन मत
ऐसा
ले,
है।
गो फॉर इट, घबरा मत, बहुत
ओके
टाइम
सर,
है। ठीक है, ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
चल bye.
ओके।
क्यों मज क्यों मजे ले रहे हो लड़कों की? यार अभी क्या है, 11 बज गया रात के, मजे तो लेना पड़ते हैं ना, ऐसा क्या है? एक सेकंड यार, थोड़ा कमेंट पढ़ लूं, मजा आ गया बिना देख के। सब मजे ले रहे हैं, चलो बढ़िया है। ओके, क्या नाम है यार तेरा? रिचुरिक, क्या नाम है यार? कृत्विक, व्हाट्स योर नेम यार?
Kirutik, sir. Kirutik.
किरुतिक, व्हाट डज इट
Yeah,
मीन?
yeah, sir. Don't know, sir.
हाँ?
I don't know, sir. Meaning of my name, I don't know, sir.
What the hell, man? Ask your parents, man. ऐसा मत कर।
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, actually, I currently completed my 12th standard, sir, and I'm going to join college. Can you give any roadmap to crack a good product-based company, sir, for starting first year to final year?
You're going into college now.
Yeah, yes, sir. Going to pursue computer science and engineering, sir. BTech CSE, sir.
Okay. I'll give you one idea which nobody will tell you. It's a
Yeah,
secret.
sir. Yeah.
Okay? By the end of first year, you should have a girlfriend. Okay? Everything else you'll figure out. You're a smart kid.
Okay.
Okay? This thing
Okay.
nobody will tell you.
Mhm.
Okay? Focus on that.
Okay.
Everything else will happen. You'll figure out.
Okay,
Before
Ved.
joining college, you're coming here, joining this live 11 o'clock at night, asking me all sets of questions. You're a smart kid. You'll figure out. Do other things in life also. They're important. Make sure you make a girlfriend. Okay?
Okay.
Have fun.
Thank you, Ved.
All right. Okay. Bharat, go ahead, please.
Hi, sir. I
Hi.
am a fourth year engineering student.
Okay.
I have a small confusion about cloud and DevOps roles because I done an internship in cloud AWS cloud in 6 months. They don't give me a stipend, but they give me AWS partner certifications there.
Okay.
My question is, I am a little bit confused about to go completely through DevOps or completely in cloud.
Do you
I am
have a
little
job right now?
no, sir. I'm a fourth year student. I'm presently doing an internship right now.
And that's an unpaid internship.
Yeah, that's an unpaid, and rather they give me stipend. They give me AWS partner certifications.
Okay. Make sure you get the
That's why
job from that
that's
company.
why
Is that
I'm doing that.
possible?
Because of the certification, I confirm that internship.
Is it is it possible that you can get a job at the same company?
They did not clearly tell me about that.
Is it
I think
possible? Do they
no.
hire
I
freshers?
think not. I think no.
Then that is what you should focus on. Do you have campus placement?
Yeah, my college is a tier 3 college, but they did not give placements for DevOps and cloud roles. They only focused on full stack roles.
You don't want to do full stack role? What is the
Yeah,
problem?
that's why I am doing internships and go through search
But
through LinkedIn.
the place that you're doing internship, that is also not offering you a job, no? So it doesn't help,
They
right?
that internship is only time period. It's a contractual internship. That's why.
Yeah, but 3 months, 4 months, right? Something.
Yeah, 3 months. 3 months internship.
Yeah, so 3 months they've taken work from you, they've not paid you anything, and they've not committing to give you any employment
They
also.
just give me letter of recommendation only.
And then what happens with that? Where do you shove it? What do you do with that letter of recommendation? No point, right?
Yes.
Your focus is to get a job,
Okay.
right? Forget DevOps, forget cloud, doesn't matter. I would say if your college is giving full stack campus placements, do full stack, get a job. That is important.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Anybody else who wants to switch on the camera? I'll talk to you. Oh, perfect. There we go. Are, we have Paras. Hey, Paras, how are you?
Hello everyone. Hello
Good to see
Savir
you, yeah.
sir. कैसा चल रहा है?
बढ़िया मजे ले रहे हैं और क्या?
I just saw कि that's going on for like 1 hour 38 minutes. बोले जाके देख के आता हूँ क्या चल रहा है.
अरे thank you for coming in, यार. Thank you. All right, Rishabh, go ahead.
Hi sir.
हाँ
सर
बोल
एक्चुअली
भाई.
मैं ओके मैं अभी करंटली वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हूँ 2 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ बट मुझे अभी क्लाउड सॉल्यूशन आर्किटेक्ट में स्विच करना है मेरा कोर कोर
Rishabh,
बैकग्राउंड है
try
लाइक मैं अभी
English. There are some people who don't understand Hindi. Try speaking in English.
ओके ओके
Even
ओके
if it's broken, it is okay. It doesn't matter.
no so I am in currently working professional and completing my 2 years so I am from a core background and I want to switch between with the cloud solution architect interface. But I'm
Mm-hmm.
not having a clear idea how can I start and how can I go to this field and have my level. So I have more confusion in the from where to start and where to end this. Means I'm not having a clear roadmap, and it is
So,
required a DevOps or anything. I'm not.
so you want to get into cloud area, and you're not
Yeah.
sure what is the roadmap for that,
Mm-hmm.
right? What is your current role?
I'm actually a core background. Electronics engineer. I am currently working as a ICT LV design engineer.
You're working
It's
as
a
an IC,
no, it's a it's a core part, not a IT field. It's not a
not
IT
an
field.
integrated chip design. That's what you're talking about.
Not integrated. It's totally a different other things. It's consulting other things.
It's a non-software area.
Yeah.
Okay. So from there, you want to get into cloud role. That's your question, and you're not clear how to do that. How
Yep.
much how much working experience do you have?
2 years.
2 years. पारस जी, any advice?
Yeah,
अभी आ
sure.
ही गया तो थोड़ा ज्ञान दे दो बंदों को.
Yeah, sure. So, have you gone through like basic requirements of becoming cloud engineer or DevOps engineer? What?
Basic में Udemy. I'm just following the Udemy one course where the cloud
Okay.
solution architect.
Okay. So, first thing I will tell you, don't look for the cloud architect roles in the beginning. Okay. So first start with understanding the cloud and everything. You can start with cloud engineer role, then you can go up DevOps or any kind of role, SRE role, if you want to go further in that direction. But you should start with learning basic Linux, how system works in a cloud, basic networking. And top of that, you can learn about Kubernetes, right? And then pick any cloud, like if you're comfortable with AWS or anything, and then you can go for any role where you can see where you can use cloud services in daily, right? It can be cloud ops engineer, cloud engineer, cloud support engineer. Then you can go ahead with any cloud architect role. But for that, in any company, they need at least 5 years of experience working in the cloud domain. So from the beginning itself, I don't think so a lot of company hire for a fresher cloud architect. That would be your roadmap going forward.
Actually, I'm started already the Linux basics, and also I know the backgrounds of the network and all the things because I'm the part of that industry. So I know how this backends work and everything.
What about the cloud?
Actually, I don't have enough knowledge about the cloud. I don't even work on the cloud. So
Okay. Then start with any cloud you feel that you can adapt very easily, whether it's a GCP, AWS, Azure. And once you are done with all the prep part, try to see if you can answer all the questions. You can start watching any mock interviews on YouTube. Okay, you can put that video over there. The moment someone asks question, interviewer asks question, you stop there and see if you can answer that.
okay.
Do this practice to gain more confidence. It will give you like a very interview specific readiness that you can build from there. That's the best way you can do that.
Okay.
Over to
Thank
you,
you, sir.
All right.
Savin, if you want to
Yeah.
add anything.
Sure. Got your answer, Rishabh?
Yep. I hope.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Umair Osman, go ahead, please.
सत श्री अकाल सर संदीप जी कैसे हैं आप ठीक ठाक
सत श्री अकाल जी बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया
Satyendra ji, first of all, thank you very much for all these videos that you've been posting. Very, very helpful and very different from what you see normally find on the internet, right? On YouTube.
Thank you.
So it's content that I've never seen before, has a very different take. So thank you very much for that. It goes straight to your heart, pierces it sort of. आपका जो वीडियो आया था mediocrity पे and all, उसने तो दिल ही चीर दिया.
Sorry about that, yaar, but that was the goal.
तो मेरा थोड़ा सा ये मैं बताना चाह रहा था कि मैं इधर यूएस में हूँ और
English please. Some people don't know.
Yeah, I speak English all the time, so मेरा मुंह दुख जाता है बोलते बोलते. Anyway.
चल तेरे लिए allowed है फिर बोल हिंदी में बोल. It's okay. Get it. It's fine. बोल.
So I'm in the US. The job market over here currently is brutal.
Yeah.
it's been about a year since I've been out of work. My work is in actually product management for Salesforce in healthcare domain. So a few years ago, when I was looking 4 or 5 years ago, at that time, for example, if you're in healthcare pharma and you're part of, let's say, patient support services, and you find another job in, let's say, billing, right, in healthcare pharma, they will take you in because you have healthcare pharma domain. Right now, it is that they're looking for exact experience, like one-to-one. Like it has to be that you're coming from that same, not just a domain, but also the same area and same area of expertise that you're carrying in. Having said that, since product management, I'm part of the business. I talk with stakeholders. I work with them. I talk with solution architects and developers and everything. My question for you was that it's not stable per se, right? So there's recently 3-4 years, there's been a lot of hype around product management, and a lot of people want to come in, and it's right now, there's one job opening, thousands of people apply to it, and hence you're not getting any calls or anything like that. I feel at this point, maybe I should switch over to IT. I do have a master's in data analytics done quite some time ago, learned Python and all that. Haven't really worked in it as, practicing it, right, through my work. But I'm been thinking of going back into it, perhaps looking into, your videos, maybe jumping into DevOps. Again, it's not my direct experience. All the brothers here that I'm looking at, they have a parallel experience. If someone is a full stack developer, want to go into DevOps or something like that. So I'm coming off from a different path, and I'm trying to understand if this is the right approach for me, or maybe I'm looking into longevity. A lot of things happening all the time. Every 3-4 years, things change. So
Understood. So let me ask you a couple of questions. How much experience do you have total?
over 15 years at this point in job market. Yeah.
Okay. And how much of that in the healthcare area? Roughly?
8 years. 8 years.
8 years. Last 8 years is healthcare.
Yeah. Healthcare pharma. Yeah.
Healthcare pharma. Okay. How much of, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would be your domain knowledge in healthcare/pharma or a particular sub area of that? How would you rate yourself? Rough number.
So the area that I was working in, hub and patient support services, that space, I would say like 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10.
Okay, fair enough. How about let's knock out the big question first. Of course, you can get into DevOps, cloud, blah, blah, blah. But then that would pit you against everybody else. Right? You lose your edge of the last 8 years.
Yeah.
And at 15 years experience, that's not a wise thing to do.
Yeah.
Had you had 5-6 years experience, maybe we could have thought about it. Not at 15. It doesn't make sense.
Mm-hmm.
A, because you can't compete with the guys.
Mm-hmm.
B, because at 15 years, you expect a certain salary.
Mm-hmm.
How do you expect the other guy to give you a salary where your experience there is almost nil?
Mm-hmm.
Right? That itself will be a non-starter.
Mm-hmm.
So it will put you in a very difficult spot. So unless it is push come to shove, let's not go that route, because then you're losing out everything. It doesn't make sense. Right? Now, having said that, the goal should be, how do we utilize your last 8 years of experience and do a pivot? So how about a product owner sort of a role where your domain expertise will come of value? Are there specific products in your area which companies make, especially for that vertical?
So this hub space that I'm talking about is a very niche area, right? And some people have experience in it, but again, it's to the point where there is a lot of saturation in the market. And I've been looking for these product managers, product owner roles, especially from Salesforce point of view, because that's what my last 8 years has been. But it's just so brutal at the moment. It's I'm again rethinking and trying to see if I could shape up a different strategy going forward. अगर इस वक्त मुझे रोल मिलेगा प्रोडक्ट ओनर का मेरे एरिया में तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं उसको उठा लूंगा ऑफ कोर्स
बट वो भी नहीं मिल रहा है
नहीं मिल रहा है बहुत हालात इधर यूएस के तो बहुत हालात खराब है
आई नो
इसलिए I'm thinking कि maybe अब जब मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ फारिग तो maybe I should look into different areas, maybe completely pivot differently. And again, the same point that you're talking, I'm at a different salary bracket versus what if someone who's coming out of college would be. So there's just a lot of different questions. But I've seen people again on the internet that are saying that we were able to pivot, or you could be data engineer at 40, 40, 50, 45, whatever. So there's a lot of different things that, there is this one-off cases that come off every night now and again,
There are, but the question is, are we that one-off case?
Yeah,
right?
again,
And
yeah.
what you see on YouTube and reality is different, my friend.
Yeah.
Take everything with a pinch of salt.
Yeah.
Okay. How about another area within Salesforce? Do you think that is also too competitive, too crowded?
It's like, double downing on Salesforce, right? So right now I'm in Service and Sales Cloud, जो मैंने किया है, तो अब ये कि Salesforce के तो 28 और clouds हैं, तो maybe I should start looking into it. So either I double down on this or I completely move away from it. It's like kind of like that, right? कितना मार्केट है कितना नहीं है ये सारा तो खुदा जाने बट ये हो सकता है कि I double down on it and keep going in it.
Problem with pivoting at this point is again the same thing, right? It will take you 6 months, 8 months, 1 year to build expertise in another area.
Right.
Then who are you competing with? Let's say even if you go to a cloud or a DevOps area, right? What role are you hitting at? You can't hit at a DevOps architect role because you don't have the experience. You can't hit at a DevOps engineer role because why would I hire you with 15 years experience when the same guy, a 2-year guy, can do it? Right? So that puts in a difficult spot. So what I'm saying is we have to be smart and build something on the Salesforce expertise itself.
Yeah. Okay.
Because that will, so some semblance to what you have done, you can say, okay, maybe not 15 years, but at least consider my 8 years experience, 10 years experience. And it still makes you relevant. It might be a certain dip, but it will not be zero.
Okay.
So typically, Paras, do you have any other ideas here?
Yep. I have few questions first. Like, do you have any plan B? What if the options you explored didn't work out as you expected? Your plan B.
प्लान बी पे तो मैं अभी चल रहा हूँ ये इस
एक साल हो गया तो ऑलरेडी बीएससी पे है अभी
इस प्लान का प्लान बी क्या है
यार प्लान बी तो अभी ये नहीं है ना कोई क्योंकि अभी कुछ समझ में नहीं जब कॉल नहीं आता ना प्लान ए पे तो फिर प्लान बी ही होता है कि इंसान 360 डिग्रीज ही घुमा रहा होता है सर अपना
उमर बेसिक क्वेश्चन ये रनवे कितना है और
रनवे खत्म होता जा रहा है बिल्कुल टाइम काफी हो गया
एक चीज मैं बताता हूँ आपको फ्रॉम द क्लाउड डेवऑप्स एंड एसआरई रूल्स पर्सपेक्टिव सो इफ यू want to enter as a entry level jobs कोई भी cloud specific now what companies are doing is वो basic workflows को build कर रहे हैं with the help of AI now what I feel जितना मैं आसपास देख रहा हूँ I talk to a lot of people in a different product based companies उनके पास इतना use cases हैं already for the specific errors that we handle on the daily basis वो AI के through solve हो सकता है now you will see a lot of reduction in the entry level jobs so वो एक बहुत बड़ा challenge होगा लोगों के लिए वो entry level jobs जहाँ पे let's suppose AWS का example लेते हैं EC2 का simple error होता है like कोई instance failure है 1/2 0/2 now they have built workflows जो उसको automatic fix कर देगा वाई वी नीड इंजीनियर? बहुत सारी
Hmm.
कंपनी 50% टाइम कंप्यूट में वो सिर्फ 0/2 1/2 फिक्स कर रहे होते हैं. So that's a
Hmm.
big problem coming for entry level jobs. So if you have a plan B,
Hmm.
and if you think I have explored a lot of other things as well at the same time,
Hmm.
if you feel that I can give my 200%, not 100%,
Hmm.
because I can expect someone coming from college who can give 100%, that's
Right.
fine.
Hmm.
From you, we need 2%, 200%. So if you can think in that direction, like I can put everything in this 6 month,
Hmm.
5 months, whatever you have,
Hmm.
should definitely try. But first of all, you should explore other options as well.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Oh, Omer,
Yeah.
Omer, I have one more thought which
Ji,
just
ji.
came out while
Ji.
Paras was speaking. What if we do this combination? Because you know Salesforce as a product well, not
Right.
all the components in that, but
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
understand the Salesforce ecosystem well,
Yeah.
right? There are
Ji.
very few people who can do DevOps for Salesforce.
Acha. Okay.
मैं generic DevOps ज्ञान नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
Hmm.
How do you do DevOps for Salesforce?
Hmm.
There are tools like Capado,
Hmm.
right, which specialize on DevOps for Salesforce.
Okay.
That could be your entry point.
I see.
So there are a lot of organizations right now which do Salesforce deployments manually.
Okay.
SOX compliance manual hai,
Hmm.
right? So you do learn DevOps, but look at the tool Capado नाम है उसका, CAPADO.
Okay.
हाँ, Capado. I'll put the link here in the chat. Have a look at this.
Okay.
So that does automation for Salesforce,
Okay.
DevOps for Salesforce.
जी जी ये
Learn a
उसका ऐप
tool like
एक्सचेंज पे है आई थिंक आई एज
आप
फार एज आई
एक्सचेंज पे भी है, बट इनकी वेबसाइट पे देयर इज गुड मटेरियल.
ओके
This you'll be able to pick up within a month or so.
ओके
Then your profile pivots.
हम्म
Say, hey, I have 8 years of domain experience on Salesforce. I
हम्म
also know how to automate your deployments.
हम्म
Consider me as a DevOps engineer with specialization on Salesforce.
ओके
And go to all your Salesforce contacts and say, guys, which one of you are doing things manually,
हम्म
including your SOX compliance, your automations, your deployments, your test
हम्म
integrations. I
हम्म
have a solution, I can solve it for you. It suddenly pivots your profile to something completely different.
okay awesome thank you very much appreciate it
It'll work.
okay thank you both
Cool. All
appreciate
right,
it
cheers. ओके गाइस, थोड़ा ज्यादा ही टाइम लग गया इस पे. इंटरेस्टिंग थी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. अभी फटाफट करते हैं. ओके, कौस्तुभ, गो अहेड प्लीज.
Hi, Savinder. So, I am just 7 to 8 years of experience in full stack and cloud engineering. So currently, I am acting tech lead in my current organization. So I have a question regarding I am just interested in cybersecurity roles. So how can I take those roles? Like, if is it like I'm also acting as a acting tech lead who I handle multiple projects in my current organization. So how to enforce into a cybersecurity role or a DevOps engineer? I also handle cloud like EC2 instance, GCP in my past. In my current role, also I used to deploy in EC2 like PM2 instance, all those things, Dockers, little bit of Kubernetes and all those stuffs.
What team are you a part of?
Hello.
What team are you a part of? Are you part of cloud team or?
It is a part of like a mixture. So I used to handle both the teams, like all the teams, like with cloud, sometimes with cloud, sometimes with tech teams, sometimes with management. So yes,
How much experience do you have, Kaustubh?
uh, 8 years.
When you say I used to handle, what does that mean? Did these teams report to you?
Yes.
Okay, so
So
and what is
according to the
your
task,
personal expertise?
Basically, my personal expertise is on full stack. So on JavaScript, React, and also a little bit of AWS. So my expertise on is based on that. So, but currently I'm acting as a tech lead over my current organization where I used to handle escalation, client calls, client demos, and product management team, and also the technical part
Hang on, hang
expertise
on,
of the
hang on,
project.
hang on. Are you a full stack developer? Do you do hands-on work, or is your work only customer interaction? What is your work? You're saying
So,
everything.
so yes,
I don't
it's the
understand.
part
What's your
of
core
I
expertise?
handle sometimes it 60% work is like based on the customer feedback, and 40% is based on my coding skills. So I used to code
But
sometimes.
basically you're not doing any technical work. That's what it means.
Yes.
हाँ वो तो 60-40 क्या होता है यार वो तो come on dude, be frank, cut
No,
the
I
crap.
used to guide. I used to guide the team. What will be the like if there is any
Kaustubh,
issues?
if you want real answers, talk with honesty.
Yes, yes,
Okay, don't give bull crap here. Yeah, फिर we'll not be able to give you good advice, right?
yes, yes,
I'll
yes,
tell you, 8 years you have lost touch with technology. You're doing only management giri. That's all you're doing. Correct?
yes. Part of.
Okay. What's your question now?
So I want to like enforce into cybersecurity roles. So how can
What
I
do you
do
mean
that?
cyber security? Is there a role in your company
Like
that you're hitting for?
no, currently my organization does not have those roles, but I am interested like pen test or something like that, which can like the OZAP top 10 vulnerabilities, something like that. So like
What's your
I want to
so how do
pursue
you
those roles. Yes,
so your question is how do you get into that role?
yes, 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 yes.
Firstly, doing OZAP testing, and that is not a role. That is one job that you would do as a cloud security engineer,
Correct.
right? What is your core problem statement?
So getting in this onto this roles like the core part of like the DevOps cloud in DevOps as a DevOps team and a cyber security team. So how can I transform my expertise
Do
over
you know
there?
what skills are required?
Yes, little bit I know. I just I have done some work in previously, but too not too much in like course some courses I have done it. In my
No, no.
current
First,
organization.
answer my question. Let's say you want to get into cloud security. Do you know what 10 skills are required for that role?
Not sure about it. Like I'm not sure about it.
So the simplest thing is if you want to get into cloud security, figure out what 10 skills are required. Out of then
Okay.
those 10, figure out how many you have, how many you don't have, get those skills, and then you start applying. And easier
Okay.
is if you have that role within your organization, a lateral move could be easier than applying outside.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So it will be
Okay.
better to apply with the skill set within the organization.
अदरवाइज विदाउट स्किल सेट कैसे लेगा ना यार कोई भी
Yes. Yes.
थोड़ा
Yes. Yes.
ऑब्वियस है
Yes.
ना
Yes.
है ना थैंक्स यार
Yes.
क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो यार मतलब ओके रोहन गो अहेड यार अच्छा वाला पूछना यार प्लीज
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity, sir. I am waiting for a long time.
थोड़ा सा
Now,
ऊंचा बोल रहे हो आई कांट हियर यू
now I am audible, sir.
यस परफेक्ट
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for this for giving me this beautiful opportunity, sir. Because it means a lot for me, especially from at I3 location of boy. So it's a lot means a lot for me. Thank you so much for the opportunity, sir.
क्वेश्चन
So,
क्वेश्चन पूछ
सर ये बोलना चाह रहा था कि सर मीन्स सर थोड़ा सा मुझे डाउट था आई हैव बट आई व्हाट द एडवाइस आई वांट फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ यू टेट फ्रॉम फॉर माय करियर एडवाइस मोस्टली बेसिकली बिकॉज आई एम अ बिट ऑफ कंफ्यूज्ड आई वांट टू सर फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस ऑफ माय ओन it's my means passion in my life I want to do a business in future but for that I
ठीक
have
है
to have my own money right so for understanding the business I have started digital marketing field I have learned digital marketing and I done some projects some freelancing part some intensive in company So I have learned it. So basically, after I wanted an internet company, so I switched in the tech field. I was also curious about, because I in digital marketing part I worked in a WordPress. So the website development also means excited me. So I learned JavaScript because one of my brother uh, in my family, he was a developer.
Rohan, what's your
So
question? What's your question?
sir, I want to know that. So I want now I have learned a one stack, right? Means full stack development, but I don't have a job right now. So
Hmm.
for the job, I have two options, sir. I have done my masters, and I am also planning for UGC NET because I also love to teach to students.
Rohan, what is your question?
Sir, how can I get the job in IT as a fresher, or should I go as a UGC NET as a professor in IT field because I am also pursuing master, or should I look look a job in IT industry? In, into what I am confused, sir. In what fields I am
So
confused.
yeah, Paras, go ahead, please.
How much money you need to start your business?
Mm, sir, basically it may be because I have to have a resources, because I have to give salaries and I have to start some
Do you have any
money.
specific number in your mind, like 5
Yes,
lakh? 10 lakh?
yes, yes. Lakhs in lakhs, two to
How?
2 to 5 lakhs, 2 to 5 lakhs.
So you can find a job where you can make this money, this amount of money in next 6 to 12 months. That's it. Don't go for a lot of things. If your passion is that you
Yes, yes.
want to build your business, don't look for a lot of options. Don't waste your time. Find a job where you can make this money in next 6 to 12 months and start your business.
So is it possible to make 2 to 5 lakhs in 12 months or 15 months?
Yeah,
Because
it's
because
very
शुरू
if I
तो
want
कर.
that, because if I
Rohan,
want that, but yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir.
Rohan, what business do you want to do? High level?
Sir, I want to launch an internet business on like EdTech, because I want to hire some people for who can teach spoken English to the students from the tier 3 to tier 2 students.
Okay.
Means
Now, okay.
speed
Now
में
I'll
जाना चाहता हूँ.
challenge you. Why do
Okay.
you need 5 lakhs for that? You can start that very, very easily,
Mm. Sir,
right?
means I want an emergency
So
fund to help me, because if my business will not work good, so I have to earn resources money so that I can continue it without with the loss.
I'll tell you what will happen, Rohan.
Yes, sure,
If
sure,
you
sure.
get into this, if you get into this job situation, right? If you get sucked in, it is very difficult to remember your dream of launching a business. It's not easy. And
Mhm,
making 6, 7, 8 lakh rupees is tough,
mm,
right? It'll take time because
okay,
this is your first job. It's not easy.
mm.
If your
Yes,
real passion is business, I would say
absolutely.
forget about this route, right? Get
Forget
a
out
business
everything.
partner,
Okay,
forget
forget
this
about
route. This route will not work for you.
not in
Get a
IT
good
industry,
business partner.
not any
अरे
job. Yes,
छोड़
yes,
दे,
same. Yes,
छोड़
sir.
दे. हिम्मत है तो करके दिखा फिर. एक बिजनेस
Definitely.
पार्टनर ढूंढ जो थोड़ा सीनियर है, प्रेफरेबली फैमिली फ्रेंड्स में से, जिस पे ट्रस्ट कर सकते हो.
Mm,
सीनियर
okay.
बंदा है जिसके पास पैसे हो, उसके साथ पार्टनरशिप करो. टेक्नोलॉजी विजन आपकी, पैसा
Mm.
उसका, या ट्रस्ट उसका.
इसलिए सर मैंने
बैंक से
बिजनेस स्टार्ट
लोन.
करने के वन स्टेक मैंने इसीलिए सीखा था कि मैं अपनी वेबसाइट खुद से बना सकूं, मुझे किसी को हायर ना करना पड़े इनिशियली, सो दैट मैं
आज एआई से बन जाती है ना 2 दिन में वेबसाइट. यार कौन से मन स्टैक पे बना रहा
सर
वेबसाइट आज कोई?
सर एआई को सर कोड तो दे देगा वो, बट समझने के लिए जावा स्क्रिप्ट एंड रिएक्ट तो आना चाहिए ना
उसके
कि
लिए
क्या
बंदा
बोलना
हायर करना, उसके लिए बंदा
है.
हायर कर.
आई डोंट हैव मनी राइट नाउ.
That's what I'm saying. You have two options. One option is to get a job, spend the next 2, 3 years to save that money, right? By that time, I can promise you, you will forget about doing a business.
यस
It's
डेफिनेटली
very
सर,
difficult to keep it alive,
डेफिनेटली
right?
सर.
Second option is hedge your bets, find somebody who's dependable, who's trustable, figure out a source of money, take some loan from your parents if it is possible, take a bet in life, give it 1 year and say 1 साल में या तो मैं धंधा खड़ा कर दूंगा या बंद करके चुपचाप नौकरी करूंगा, फिर चूचू चाचे नहीं करूंगा.
फिर मैं जो भी होगा आईटी
Take care
में
of that.
जाना है या फिर किस में जाना है मुझे. मैं इसलिए सोच रहा सर पैसे इकट्ठे करने के लिए जॉब चाहिए, तो जॉब करने के लिए इकट्ठे करने के लिए तो मैं सोच रहा था तो मुझे किस फील्ड में जाना चाहिए। जैसे मेरा आईटी में मुझे पैशन है, आईटी में वन स्टेक में मुझे नौकरी ढूंढना चाहिए, या फिर मुझे यूजीसी की तैयारी करना चाहिए एज एन प्रोफेसर, जिससे मुझे वहां से भी पैसा आ सके। इन दोनों में से जॉब
जहाँ
में
जल्दी मिल जाए।
राइट, ओके।
तेरे
अभी मैं
पास
सर
टाइम
टीचिंग
नहीं
कर
है,
रहा हूँ।
तेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, जहाँ जल्दी मिल जाए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। तेरे
डेफिनेटली
को
सर,
6 लाख रुपए इकट्ठे करने हैं, तेरा टाइम शुरू हो चुका है, फटाफट कर।
मेरे साथ 24 साल का भी हो गया हूँ सर, तो पेरेंट्स भी बहुत गाली
बस फिर,
बकते तो मुझे अपना ही
तो फिर
बिजनेस
बस
करना है।
कर ले, फिर शुरू कर।
थैंक यू
सोच
सो
मत
मच।
जा, दिमाग
अब
मत
शुरू
लगा।
करूंगा, अब शुरू करूंगा सर, ठीक। थैंक यू
एक
सो
साल
मच
का
फॉर
टाइम
योर।
देना, ज्यादा मत देना। 1 साल का टाइम देना, या तो कर ले या शांति से वापस आ जा कि अभी मैं नौकरी करूंगा, 5 साल बाद में दोबारा देखेंगे, कोई बात नहीं। टेंशन नहीं लेनी है, घबराना नहीं। नहीं चलता कोई बात नहीं, निपट दे, दोबारा करना, इट्स ओके।
सर यदि मुझे, जैसे मैं मास्टर्स कर रहा हूँ, एमसीए भी करूंगा मैं,
यार
तो
और
मुझे
लोगों से
सर
बात करनी है अभी, और लोगों
एक
से बात
क्वेश्चन
करनी
था
है,
सर,
सॉरी।
जस्ट छोटा सा सर, तो मुझे गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना चाहिए या फिर आईटी में ही जॉब ढूंढ लेना चाहिए?
जो मिल जाए,
यदि जो मिल जाए।
जो मिल जाए, कोई
ठीक है,
फर्क नहीं
ठीक है।
पड़ता। ओके, सॉरी गाइस। ओके, जस्ट करण, यू बीन वेटिंग फॉर अ व्हाइल।
हेलो सर, सत श्री
अथर्व,
अकाल।
इसके बाद आपके पास आता हूँ। आई सॉ यू ऑल्सो। या जस्ट किरण।
हेलो सर, एम ऑडिबल?
यस, परफेक्ट।
हाँ जी, सत श्री अकाल सर, क्या हाल है?
सत श्री अकाल जी।
ओके सर, माय सिंपल क्वेश्चन इज, मैं मुझे ना आपके बारे में कल ही पता लगा है। बेसिकली मैं आई हैव अ 3 to 4 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन क्लाउड ऑप्स, सो आई
ओके।
एम अ क्लाउड ऑप्स इंजीनियर। बट नाउ जैसे मुझे काम करते टाइम तो हो गया, बट मैं काम कर रहा हूँ जैसे मोनोलिथिक आर्किटेक्चर में, लाइक लिनक्स हो गया और AWS की सर्विसेज हो गई, EC2 हो गया, S3 हो गया, एंड डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सर्विसेज। बट नाउ ऐसा जॉब मार्केट देखें तो आजकल तो डेवऑप्स का ही जो है वो है। तो उसके लिए मेरा फोकस ये है, कभी मैं एनसिबल सीखनी शुरू कर देता हूँ, कभी डॉकर की तरफ चले जाता हूँ, कभी टेराफॉर्म पकड़ लेता हूँ। तो बस वो एक रोड मैप की क्लैरिटी चाहिए कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ उसके लिए, और
नहीं, वो
प्रोग्रामिंग
तो रोड
लैंग्वेज
मैप के
कौन सी मस्त है।
वीडियो बना रखे ना यार, देख ले। मेरे चैनल पे, पारस के चैनल पे कितने रोड मैप हैं, देख ले जाके यार।
ठीक है सर।
इतनी देर रुक के यही सवाल पूछा कि यार तू भी हैं?
नहीं सर, मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ
हद हो
करनी,
गई
मैं
यार तेरी।
आई विल बुक वन वन विद यू ऑल्सो।
देख ला यार,
मुझे
इतना ना कर
मुझे
यार।
कल ही आपके बारे में पता चला है, मुझे पता नहीं था आप एग्जिस्ट करते
चल
हो।
कोई गल नहीं, इट्स ओके, अलाउड है, कोई गल नहीं, इट्स ओके। ऑलराइट, थैंक्स। ओके, अथर्व, गो अहेड।
Okay, so hello sir, am I audible?
वेरी मच।
Okay, so sir, I'll finish it in short. So I have 2025 pass out in electronics and telecommunication. I have learned means in basic levels of DevOps, means Linux shell scripting, Docker, Kubernetes. Means I have to go very much ahead from that, and I have on 6th of this month I have given the CCAT exam, that is for SIDAC. In SEDAC, I have means seen the course, that is ITISS, IT infrastructure in security and system. So in that, that is means 1/5 part is of DevOps. So that is means major chances of going in DevOps after that. So what would be the perfect thing for me to go now?
So have you done your engineering?
Yes, I have completed it, sir. This month only, sir, last month.
So you've completed your engineering, you have applied for the CDAC exam.
Yes, sir.
And when do you get the
So,
CDAC result?
sir, on 17th of this month, sir, coming.
5 days more.
Yes, sir.
So what's the question? If you get
So
selected in
actually,
CDAC, then you join CDAC. What's the question?
so if I don't get a means a major, it means I have targeting two institutes, that is Sunbeam and Acts. So if I don't get in that institute, so should I wait for next attempt, that is in December, while preparing for it, or should I go for means job only, means search for jobs from right now, studying and looking for jobs?
Why do you want to do
That's six.
CDAC?
So for better placements or opportunities, better opportunities.
How many interviews have you given?
Sir, actually, I'm from core branch, so I have given many interviews of core and very less of IT, sir.
Core meaning mechanical?
No, sir, electronics, sir, telecommunication.
Electronics. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you don't have a lot of expertise in computer science. That's what you're saying.
Yes, yes.
Which means you will not be able to crack a job in computer science right now.
Yes, sir, means sir, currently I means I'm not that, sir.
हाँ, वही बोल रहा हूँ ना। So right now you will
Hmm.
not be able to crack. It is difficult, right?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
why you
Yes.
want to do CDAC,
Yes.
right? So if you don't clear this CDAC, then the next exam is after 6 months,
Yes. In the December.
right? So you have two
Okay.
options. Best case scenario, you clear this CDAC, everything is great,
Yes.
right? If you don't clear this CDAC for the next 6 months, you have two options. Either you study for CDAC or you do your study computer science so that you can crack a job,
Yes. Sir. Correct.
right? If you go CDAC, you again spend a lot more money.
Yes.
Is that CDAC course 2 year
No, sir. 6 months.
or just a 6 months course?
Yes, sir. SEDAC is 6 months.
Paras, what's your thought?
I don't think so. I can contribute anything here. It's up
Okay,
to you.
fair.
I would suggest like it's up to you. It's your choice. If you want to go for CTAC, mm, go for it. But if you want to come again IT interviews and everything, you have to put lot of efforts. As I covered in the last question, I think there was some person who was asking for entry level jobs. It's very difficult right now, so you have to put a lot of effort in order to if you want to go in cloud and DevOps. So choose accordingly. If you go through roadmap videos and in mock interviews, and if you see if I can face these interview, well, I will try that one as well. Up to you.
Okay, sir. That was helpful. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. All right, guys, last 15 minutes and then we'll close. Okay, Arun, go ahead.
Hi everyone. Well, to be honest, I actually joined because I joined midstream and it said share your story, so I joined. But I didn't have some specific question at that time. Although I do, I'm a front end developer for I think 3 years, and I did a little bit of backend, so I do know how to work with the APIs, not too much. Uh, to be honest, lately I started looking into some backend stuff, and I like it. And I am kind of confused if I should switch to it completely or not, because if I do, I'm already good at front end, and I'll leave all of that behind. But I do like backend, and and, I'm
Then
a
don't
bit
leave front
confused.
end. Na? Arun, don't
Um,
leave front end. Learn your back end also, which will make you a full stack developer. It will widen up your
okay.
career profile, right? You don't have to leave anything. If you're good at front end, that's good. Learn more frameworks, but broaden your skill. Be multi-skilled.
Yes. See, the problem with me is when I, let's say, go and learn about. So, for example, I did SQL. I started with that. So, I spent some days, and during these days, I only find myself doing only one thing, not the other, and I kind of like it. That's why I asked this.
So, Arun, you like to do one thing, but you're tempted to do two things. Now you're asking, should I do two or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's if you like to put in the extra effort to make the extra career jump, to make the extra money, to widen your profile, you will have to put in the extra effort. If you want to stay comfortable, that's nothing wrong with that. Also, keep learning more frameworks in front end, keep yourself valuable. It's your call, right? If you learn backend, it will give you an extra edge. You become multi skilled, you turn towards a full stack developer, it widens up your portfolio, which will give you better chances. But it needs extra effort. If you're willing to put in the effort, do it. If you're comfortable, you want to stick at one area, that is also fine. Completely your call.
Okay, so I think it's me who decides.
Yep. It's always you.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
All right. Subhranshu. Subhranshu है ना?
Yes, Savinder.
हाँ जी. Go ahead, please.
So hi. Actually, I am a Java developer. I'm working in a very small startup. Since 4 months, I'm working. But the problem is, everybody is saying that if you want to improve your productivity, you have to use AI while writing the code. So I'm also writing the code using AI, but I feel like I'm not growing. So manager, whatever giving deadline, if I will not use AI, then I will miss the deadline also. So I feel like I'm not growing. And the another thing is that few days back in my team also, a lot of people kicked out, including the managers and a few seniors also. So I have fear that within 3-4 months I will also lose the job. So my question is, I want your feedback and some suggestion on that.
Paras, any thoughts?
Uh, just a random thought around this. I think don't worry about the AI and your productivity as of now. You should work on your interview prep and look for another company. That's what I can tell you right now. If you fear that this situation is coming in your company, first find another company. And I don't
But
think
the
so.
problem,
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, but problem is I have 3 years bond. I can't give interview right now because I can't break that bond. So
Bond.
if they will, yes. So after they will kicked out, then only I can start giving interviews. But right now it is not possible. If any interview I will crack also, I cannot join.
How is it possible? This is the first time I'm hearing this thing. So
नहीं, India में they have bond in India. Some companies do.
I have also, gone through those company. I also had that bond, but उसमें specifically there was thing that if you give a prior notice, like
Yes.
notice period, like 2 months, 1 month, you can leave, but you cannot just leave like this. So this was written in my bond. I don't know about your bond, but you go through it and read it one more time and see if there is any possibility like that.
And they are giving 1 month for before going away from the company. But the problem is I cannot give interview right.
Who is stopping you from giving interview?
You can't join right now. That is fine, but you can give interview. Na? Who's stopping?
You should
If I
not
will
say
give
I don't
interview
want.
also, it doesn't make any sense. If I will crack also, it doesn't make any sense. No?
कर तो
Okay.
सही क्रैक पहले. कर तो सही
Okay.
क्रैक.
I'll
It's not
ask
that easy.
Sarvinder sir to give another answer.
Dude, wake up and smell the coffee. We've been going for almost 2.5 hours. लोगों की नहीं लग रही है नौकरियां. It's not that easy. Have two
And
offers
what
in your
about,
hand and then you can make that statement. Okay? It's not so
okay,
easy. I would say you're sitting on a theoretical mountain.
yes,
Get on the bottom of that mountain, start applying, and see if you even get interview calls. Right?
okay. But
You are
with
thinking about
four
a
months,
situation. Hmm? Kya?
with 4 months experience, I'm not getting any call.
Exactly my point. So, what offer are you talking about? That is why I told you start applying, fix your problem, get an offer in hand, then you can worry about my bond and this and that. Bond is not your problem. Your problem is you're not getting interview calls today. Fix that problem.
That's correct.
क्यों गोल गोल जलेबी क्यों कर रहा है यार? हम 20 साल से ये फुद्दू थोड़ी है यार. क्या बात कर रहा तू? सीधा क्वेश्चन पूछना, स्ट्रेट आंसर दूंगा. Why wasting everybody's time, dude?
And what about that first question that about the productivity?
Get your skill, right? Productivity problem is because your skills are lacking. That is why you need the crutch of AI. Dude, wake up
Yes.
and smell the coffee and start focusing on your skills. Okay? And ask the right question. Otherwise, we just go around in circle and I have to break you down then. I will get to the point in 30 seconds. I have that much experience. You've seen that happen multiple times in this life. But if you ask the right question, we can all move on and you will get the right answer. Don't do jalebi faltu mein yaar. Koi point nahi hai na. Skill pe kaam kar bhai. You need to learn more. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Matt. All right. So last 4 people. Uh, 1 second. Okay, lot of people are asking why I'm not taking questions from chat. If you're joined here for the first time, I don't take any questions from chat because anyways I'm replying on YouTube comments, LinkedIn and all of that. This particular medium is for us to talk face to face. If you want to ask a question, join the live, switch on your camera and we talk. I don't take any questions from the chat during live. This is how it works. Those are the rules. Okay. All right. Web of, go ahead, please.
Hello, sir. I think like you'll be I will be meeting you like early before this December for like 100K subs. I met you
Awesome.
on like a 50K meetup on in Pune.
Yes, yes.
So
I
I
remember.
had a discussion with you.
Yes.
So we had a discussion like around like I left my organization and like I was exploring for the kick for my career to get into that. So after joining the meetup, so I get like idea around like what I need to do in my next career path. So yeah, so I was working on that, and that's it. Like I don't have actually any questions. So I was just wanting to do just chit chat, nothing like special.
All right. Thank you very much, my friend. I will see you soon then.
Sure, sure.
Thank you. Cheers. Okay. Tanish, go ahead, please.
Thank you, sir.
Tanish?
Sir, good evening. I am Tanish Kanti in my final year. Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, I'm currently I'm in final year of BCA. First of all, I'd like to greet and both of you, Sridhar and Paras sir, for continuously sharing insightful content and motivating learning through your videos. I want to share a little about my journey and seek your guidance. Right now, I am on the path of becoming a cloud engineer or DevOps engineer. I am built a strong foundation on the following areas like computer networking, operating system, Linux, and virtualization or database in my currently, I'm in learning, and my plan to stating my knowledge in Python or JavaScript next to improve my logic. But currently, I'm in learning Kubernetes. But the main problem is in my Kubernetes. But due to college commitment, I will becoming difficult to maintain a consistent learning pace, especially with Kubernetes. Sometimes I sometimes I just it is just theoretical without doing hands-on labs. Honestly, there are days when I don't feel like practicing it all. So if I learn Kubernetes theoretical, then it is I love it. It's understandable. But when I have to practice it, it is very complicated. As we know, Kubernetes is so vast that it often confuse me or shake my confidence. I sometimes feel frustrated when I can keep a post consistently in LinkedIn like I used to. Still, and I just wanted to be honest and share this with you. I would love to know how do you suggest managing this phase where things feel slow, overwhelming, and confusing.
Paras, you want to take that?
Yes, sir.
Lot of things is not clear to me, but I'll try. Okay. So you are saying that I am learning Kubernetes, and whenever I go through videos and documentation, it looks really good. But when I apply that in practical life, that doesn't work, and you feel very confused about certain topics, right? And you do not have any
Yes, sir.
experience
Yes.
in Kubernetes, right? You are fresher.
Yes.
You are fresher, right? Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
don't feel like that you will come prepared for everything from the beginning itself. So you just work on the foundation level as of now. What are the basic things, when we use, just clear these answer, when we use stateful set, when we use deployment, what is daemon set. If you are clear on the foundation level, then you can explore other troubleshooting aspects, but don't feel burden about, oh, I cannot fix this issue right now, rather than focus on building the foundation,
Yes, sir.
right? In what case we need to use this specific thing, and how to solve that by looking through troubleshooting documentation of specific. If you are going for GKE, read that documentation, how to fix that. Maybe you are not reading entire documentation. I have done, still I'm doing a lot of mistakes. I just go through 1 2 3 steps. Sometimes I
Yes,
forget to read about what is mentioned in the note. So don't look for
yes,
building
sir.
expertise in the beginning. Just clear your foundation and don't worry about it. I hope that
Yes, sir. That's a simple number theory. That is, yes, sir. Yes, sir, it works. But so is college CGP is important now? In my currently CGP is 8.18. But there is two phases. That is, if I focus on college, then I lack external learning like Kubernetes. But there is a second phase that कि या तो मैं college को थोड़ा कम preference दूँ, Kubernetes को थोड़ा ज़्यादा दूँ, तो work करेगा, मतलब इन दोनों में से क्या prefer करूँ?
सो कॉलेज में क्या प्रेफरेंस देते हो, मुझे बताओ एक बार.
सर कॉलेज का रेगुलर असाइनमेंट्स होगी, पीपीटीज होगी, समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड नोट्स
एग्जाम
बनाने
के टाइम
पड़ेंगे,
पे ना,
चेक करवाना है उनको.
प्रोजेक्ट असाइनमेंट, बाकी टाइम क्या?
नो सर, regularly from their classes that our college started Monday to Saturday. There is daily classes. They have to give us work, and next day test, copy check, something like school.
ओके सर, यू टेक दिस. ये दूसरा कॉलेज लग रहा है मेरे
Yes,
को,
sir.
रोज पढ़ा रहे हैं इसको.
कॉलेज में प्लेसमेंट है क्या? कैंपस प्लेसमेंट होती है?
Yes, sir. Not मतलब कि in web development phase Infosys like company, but cloud engineering अभी तक कोई ऐसा नहीं देखा कि क्लाउड की तरफ को डेवलप में प्लेस हुआ.
देख, नौकरी तो नौकरी होती है, वेब डेवलपमेंट हो या कोई भी हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना. गोल अपना ये है कि
Yes,
नौकरी
sir.
चाहिए हमको, राइट?
Yes, sir.
है ना? कॉलेज जैसे ही खत्म हो जॉब होनी चाहिए, वो इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Yes,
है
sir.
ना? कोई
Yes,
जरूरी तो
sir.
नहीं है डेवऑप्स की जॉब करनी, क्लाउड करनी. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ये नहीं की तो खराब हो जाएगा काम, ऐसा तो नहीं है.
Not
लास्ट
sir.
ईयर कितने
Not sir.
लड़के सिलेक्ट हुए थे कॉलेज से?
Sir, approx 2 to 3 of our department, BC Self Finance Department.
3?
बाकी लड़के एक्सटर्नल ट्रेनिंग ली उन्होंने, and आप. हाँ जी. Yes, sir.
तो फिर छोड़ दे, फिर क्या फर्क पड़ता है? वैसे भी सी सीजीपीए इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ बिग कंपनीज आल्सो, राइट? दे नीड योर
Yes,
सीजीपीए.
sir.
तो सीजीपीए खराब मत करो, बट अगर कॉलेज में कैंपस प्लेसमेंट हो ही नहीं रही तो फिर बाहर से लेनी पड़ेगी जॉब, राइट?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ी मेहनत करो, दोनों करने पड़ेंगे,
So
कोई ऑप्शन
maximum
नहीं है.
senior take the. Yes, sir. सर बट जैसे आपने बोला कि जैसे जॉब चाहिए, नौकरी मिलनी चाहिए, बट हम अभी अपना जो टाइम है वो अगर हम क्लाउड और डेवऑप्स की तरफ दे रहे हैं, तो हम भी चाहेंगे कि हम भी इसी रोल में आगे जॉब को प्रेफर करें,
मैं ये कह रहा था, अगर आपके कॉलेज
बिकॉज जो
में
भी हमको जॉब देगा.
हाँ,
यस सर.
सी
मतलब कि अगर हम जो भी हमको जॉब देंगे. हाँ जी. जस्ट प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
चलो मैं आंसर करता हूँ. देखो,
हाँ सर.
बेसिक चीज क्या है, मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत एग्जाम्पल हैं सर. इफ यू रिमेम्बर देयर वाज सानिध्य, राइट?
हाँ,
सो हाँ, कॉलेज में था एंड ही वाज इन वीआईटी भोपाल आई थिंक. बट उसको
भोपाल, हाँ.
थर्ड फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में उसको पता लग गया दैट आई विल नॉट गेट अ प्लेसमेंट और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. ही स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर क्लाउड एंड डेवऑप्स. कॉलेज के बाद एक्स्ट्रा टाइम देता था एवरी डे. अगर उसको 45 मिनट्स मिल रहा है या 1 hour मिल रहा है to prepare, and he cracked the job as a fresher DevOps engineer. So we have very good examples in the market, but वही है, time dedicate करना पड़ेगा. Even if you're giving 45 minutes a day, that's fine, but give that time to your skills, right? बट अगर कॉलेज के भरोसे बैठे रहोगे तो आई डोंट नो, डिपेंड्स ऑन द कॉलेज. अच्छे कॉलेज में प्लेसमेंट हो भी जाता है, बट
See,
हर जगह प्लान होनी चाहिए तुम्हारे.
see, Tanish, I'll give you a very simple example. अभी टाइम क्या हो रहा है इंडिया में? 12:07 हो रहे हैं, राइट? सैटरडे नाइट है, संडे मॉर्निंग है, राइट? पिछले 2.5 घंटे से ये लाइव चल रहा है. एक्स्ट्रा काम कर रहा हूं ना मैं. पारस हैज गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद दिस, राइट? मैं तो चलो फिर भी यू कैन आर्ग्यू कि अपना यूट्यूब चैनल ग्रो करना है, ये सब इसलिए कर रहा हूं. पारस क्यों कर रहा है? ही इज गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद दिस, राइट? 100 सब्सक्राइबर मेरे बढ़ जाएंगे, उससे पारस को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, राइट? I didn't even invite him this time. He said that, right? मैंने देखा लाइव चल रहा है, 1 घंटे से चल रहा है, मैं देखने आ गया क्या हो रहा है. बट बंदा पिछले आधे घंटे से है ना यहाँ पे. Effort, hard work. You know what this will give him? He can now give me a call at any point and say, Savinder, मुझे ये हेल्प चाहिए. मैं मना नहीं कर सकता. That is what he's building. Hard work. वो ये नहीं देख रहा इससे उसको क्या फायदा होगा. उसके पास टाइम था, उसने टाइम निकाला और ज्वाइन किया. आधे घंटे से है, आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे रहा है. दिस इज हार्ड वर्क. इसका रिजल्ट मिलता है भाई. मेहनत कर, बाकी सब छोड़ दे, अपने आप हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Last guy, Abhishek, go ahead, please.
Hi, Savinder. Hi, Paras. Just wanted to ask that I've been in my current organization as a data engineer for almost 7-8 months. The organization did not do well, so I've resigned because I already got one offer. So currently I have two offers in hand, and one is kind of giving me 60% increase and the other one is close to 100. And so both have their pros and cons. One is work from office, that's 5 days a week, and the other one is actually hybrid with just 2 days. But when I actually reached out to an ex-employee who's I'm kind of replacing, the the reaction was not really great, and he really didn't he told me to not really join if I had other offers. But the other place, which is kind of giving me 60%, I didn't like the conversation that I had, even though I like the product that they're building. So it felt like I am changing again after 7 months. Both opportunities seem like a stepping stone again, and by the looks of it, it actually feels like that I might have to actually change again in 6 to 7 months. So I'll be preparing based on that and really trying hard to get into a product-based company. So in my career, like I'm close to 3 years of experience, I think this kind of sets a bad precedence to the hiring managers and HRs. Like they're always asking, why are you changing again? Even though I have a good reason this time, I might not have a really great reason after 5 or 6 months or even like 3 months. So really just stuck in this loop of thinking, because I also want that 100% increase. That is something that I don't have to negotiate really hard going forward. That will put me in a really good spot going forward. But at the same time, just this switching again, or like currently also I'm also searching for better opportunities, but I'll be joining in 20 days more or less. And then as a senior, I'll have a lot of responsibility going forward. That's why I'm aligning myself more towards a hybrid role where I can keep my interview prep going, instead of a place where I'll have to work 5 days. So just wanted your 2 cents on this and how I should be thinking about this.
Go ahead, Paras.
Go ahead, sir. You go ahead first. Let me think
Okay.
around this.
Okay, so Abhishek, just so that I understand, you've resigned from your current place and two offers, one hybrid and one 5-day work from home, right?
Work from office 5 days.
Sorry, work from office 5 days.
Yes.
Both offering around 60-70% hike.
One is offering 60%, the work from office, and the other one is offering 100%.
So the hybrid is more.
Hybrid is more, yes. But
Okay,
the
and
review
which,
for that is not positive.
meaning what is the review actually? The company is not doing well, or the environment is not good? What is not
Just
positive?
the management is not really, like not really great. So they have kind of a mixed review on Glassdoor. Actually, both have kind of mixed reviews. But the
Glassdoor
per-
nahi. Do you know somebody who works there?
I do know I actually know the guy who I'm replacing. So like
Oh,
by
okay.
chance I stumbled upon this guy on LinkedIn, and
Okay.
that's the guy I'm replacing, and he like called me and gave me the real picture. So he said the client is good, everything is fine, you'll get a good raise. It's just that the company is kind of, because it's still a very early startup, so just 5 years in. So you'll
Okay.
be handle like the people who are managing are not really too friendly, or not really great to work with.
Do you think that could be his personal opinion because he's exiting? Might not
i
be the
do
most fairest one.
I do think that his opinion is kind of flawed in a way, because he started his career there, and when you
Exactly.
start in a place, I mean I cannot 100% say that his experience will align with mine. So that's why I'm also like thinking of, okay, this is still, even if it's a stepping stone, it's a good stepping stone.
Okay. In terms of the technology stack, which one is better? This one or the other one?
So this one is actually better. The hybrid one is pretty good.
So hybrid one technology stack is good. The salary is 60% versus 100%, and it is hybrid, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
don't think too much. Take a plunge, right?
Hmm.
Because the odds are stacking up. And
Hmm.
don't go with that thought process that this will last 6 months. Who knows,
Hmm. True.
right? See, the point is you've spoken to the guy who's moving out. It is not
Hmm.
somebody who's in the company. That itself might cloud that guy's judgment, right?
Hmm.
Plus, the feedback is that it's a small company, so obviously there'll be a lot of work. That's
Hmm.
given. How much
That is
experience do you have, Abhishek? Total?
close 3 years now.
3 years. So I would say give this company a good shot, give it 1 year, see how
Hmm.
it goes. In 6 months, you'll figure out whether
Hmm.
the environment is good, whether the work is good. If you say the stack is good, the environment is bad, still you've gained net positive.
That is for sure. Like both have their very good pros, and that's why I was happy with, like, one is a more on a product side, so that's why I was just considering even 5 days office. But this is more of a AI engineer role going forward, so that's why I was just happy with, even if this doesn't work out, I still have some valuable things that I'll gain. Even my experience will
So
be counted.
So, Abhishek, don't worry too much about it. You are worrying about
Mm.
something which is not happened yet. Who knows
Yeah.
what will happen, right?
Yes.
It is worrying about a future which is 4 months down the line. कल पता है
Yes.
क्या होना है?
Yeah, but actually, I'll tell you why this happened. So this organization, the one I'm leaving, hasn't paid salaries for 3 months, almost laid off hundreds of employees. I had
Hmm.
to take care of everything, which I gained a lot of knowledge from. I'm happy that I got that, but definitely without salary, you cannot really work.
Of
And
course.
यहाँ पे the Glassdoor reviews, actually, if you look back, you'll see that this is something that has been happening for a decade, kind of. And at
Hmm.
that moment, I was desperate, so I didn't really think about it. I wanted the experience. And now, when I go to Glassdoor, I kind of feel like every company has a lot of, negative feedback or reviews, and now I don't know what to trust.
Glass door chhod de. It is like, us going to Google and saying, I have a headache. What is wrong? In
Hmm.
30 seconds, you will go to brain tumor or cancer. Glassdoor is
Ah,
like that. You search for anything, there will be mostly negative, very few positive. So, and
hmm,
plus it is random people. So I wouldn't
hmm,
trust that. I would say both net almost the same. Take a call, stick with it, and whatever call you take, this one or that one, After you've made the call, considering everything, then remove all crap from your brain and focus on that for the next 6 months. That
Okay,
itself
yeah.
will give you the ROI. It doesn't matter what happens after that. Right? But go
Yes,
in with a
definitely.
positive attitude. Take a 1 year runway. In 6 months, you'll figure out what you have to do. You can take a call. But once you take a
Yes.
decision, clear out the crap from your head.
Yeah, then I
Okay.
think I should just think about, okay, I'll make it work. Let's try my best.
Absolutely. That's the way to do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Abhishek. All right, guys. We really have to log off. We have done this for over 2.5 hours. Thank you so much. There are still some people that I couldn't talk to. We'll meet again in 2 weeks. We do this every 2 weeks. Paras, thank you so much, yeah, for chiming in. Really
Thank you.
appreciate your time.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. All right, guys. See you later. Cheers. Bye.